here. Bon matin, good morning. We live. Oh, no, we are. It. Where's my chart? Where is my chart? What the hell happened here? There we go. All right, I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. Sorry. Where is my camera? Camera. Oh, here we go. That is so weird. Camera seems to disappear. That is so weird. Sorry, guys. I have a little technical problem here. I don't know why the camera's not there. That is so weird. All right. Filter. Let's do this and this. Awesome. All right, so guys, did I send that on the Telegram group? Hopefully, yes. All right, so good morning, guys. Bon matin. All right. Where is my camera? So weird. Whoa, Zoom is quiet. Surprising. Morning, Sasha. Morning. All right, so first of all, before we get started, sorry for that little technical problem here. I don't know why I cannot find my camera for Zoom, but YouTube got my camera. So anyways, long story short, if it's your first time here, welcome. This is a Franglish session. Oh, you think I'm muted? Am I? Am I muted? Okay. Oh, I guess I was muted on Zoom.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. So sorry for that technical problem here. I'm trying to find a camera for my Zoom, so I guess YouTube's gonna have my camera and Zoom don't have my camera. I don't know why. Or maybe you guys see it, it's just me who doesn't see it. So, oh well, it is what it is. So basically, all right. So again, if it's your first time here, welcome. This is a Franglish session. We're gonna look at trades for the live session today until probably around like 9-ish a.m. So basically, we're gonna look at different pairs. So if you have a chart that you want me to look at, just send that in the chat. Basically, how to do that, you just click on your camera here on TradingView, and if you're on YouTube, you need to copy from the \x to the end and you paste it in the chat, right? So no Zoom link to Telegram? Yes, I sent it. I think so. No, let me check. Yeah, I sent it. Did I send it the right place? Yes. Yes, I did send it. Is that the right one? Yeah. February 25th. Yes, I sent it on Telegram. So again, donc bienvenue à tous si c'est votre première fois. Bienvenue, c'est une session en franglais. Donc, je vais répondre aux questions en français et en anglais. Je vais alterner aussi de français à l'anglais pour permettre aux gens de comprendre dans les deux langues parce que je sais qu'on a des groupes francophones et anglophones. So again, guys, if you're hearing me speaking French or English, it's normal. I'm bouncing from French to English, so don't freak out. I'll try to translate pretty much everything, right? So, first thing first, let's get started here. Let's just wait for, I'm waiting for 2-3 person. It says I'm muted. Am I muted? Can anyone hear me on Zoom and on YouTube? Can you guys hear me on Zoom? Okay, so YouTube seems fine. Can you guys hear me? On t'entend sur YouTube. Ok, merci Jean-Frédéric. So YouTube doesn't hear me. Okay, that is weird. Oh, I don't know why it keeps on muting. Huh. Keeps on muting on YouTube, on Zoom. I don't know why. Okay, perfect. Okay, so sorry guys. So again, all right. So before we get started, let's do analysis here. Oh, let's take a look at this chart first. So this is coming from Francesco, one of our dogs. All right, so let's take a look at this. So basically, session I take mental entry after this big push when the candle flipped bullish after creating a bottom wick. I was thinking about a dogtail setup, but it didn't work. Was I? Yes. Yes, it was not a good timing for impulse entry. And the other thing also is we just created a high. So now we're trying to buy a top. So you need to wait for retracement, come down, create support, and push back up, right? So that's what we need to wait for. Because now it's too early for a dogtail setup. But it was a good thought. It was a good thing that you actually kind of paper traded first, right? So that's good. But yeah, not a great timing for a dogtail setup. There's not a lot of volume now, so because look at those candle, you know, and especially at this huge 30-minute at practically no wick at the top also. So yeah, you better wait. So I know when you see those big candles, sometimes people get FOMO, but just chill. All right. Perfect. Okay, perfect. So now let's do this analysis. So now for the top-down analysis, I'm going to be bouncing from French to English. Donc, si on regarde au chart du mois, bon, rien à mentionner, à part qu'on arrive présentement à une résistance monthly. Donc, il va falloir voir comment le prix réagit à ça. Bon, donc, faut vraiment être attentif ici, voir s'il n'y aurait pas un renversement. So on the monthly chart, nothing major to mention except the fact that we are reaching a monthly resistance. So now we're going to be very careful to see if we see reversal or continuation, right? So now let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly, again, nothing crazy to mention about the weekly except it's crazy bullish. Donc, rien de majeur à mentionner sur le weekly à part que c'est un bullish trend très fort. Alright, so let's go to the daily now. Okay, looking at the daily. So looking at the daily, I mean, broke previous high, respected previous low. So technically today should continue bullish, right? Now looking at what we had previously on the daily. If you look, we are at or getting close to a daily. We're getting super close to a daily resistance. So I'm not going to place a resistance here because I got one on H4 right here. So this zone is an H4 zone. But we got to keep in mind that the daily at 150-400 is a resistance, right? Donc, si on regarde sur le chart journalier, bon, encore une fois, rien de super fou à mentionner. À part une chose, c'est comme on a mentionné, on arrivait à une résistance monthly, mais c'est aussi une résistance daily, ici aux alentours de 150-400. J'ai une zone ici un petit peu plus haut en 4 heures, fait que je vais la laisser là, celle-là. Et à part ça, si on regarde le prix, ben le prix a brisé le haut précédent, respecté le bas précédent, donc techniquement le reste de la journée devrait continuer vers le haut. Alright, so now let's take a look at 4 hours. Alright, so taking a look at 4 hours right now, I mean, again, price, create a new high, came down, create support, push up. Now we're kind of doing the same thing. So we gotta wait for support to be formed and looking for buys to go up. Okay. Sell is going to be valid for me only under 149,300, right? Or 250. Yeah, under that QP basically. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de 4 heures, donc, and also this new 4 hours so far just opened at 5 a.m., right? So far, this new candle needs to create a bottom wick and start pushing back up. So that will actually work on the lower time frame. We're probably going to be able to grab an entry in that bottom wick from that 4-hour candle on the lower time frame. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de 4 heures, on a créé un nouveau haut, on est venu en bas former un support pour retester le haut, et là, présentement, on vient de créer un nouveau haut, puis on doit créer un support pour venir retester encore la même chose. Donc, mais ici, cette nouvelle chandelle de 4 heures-là, elle vient de s'ouvrir à 5 heures, donc ça fait pas très longtemps, et elle doit créer une mèche du bas avant de pousser vers le haut. Donc, ça devrait concorder avec une entrée possible qu'on va essayer d'aller trouver en 1 heure et en 30 minutes dans les time frames plus petits. Alright, so looking at H1 now. Looking at H1, basically, I mean, we had this resistance here that got broken around like in the Asian session. Came up, create support, push, finally broke at 3 a.m. And create a new high. So now we need to wait for price to come down, create our support like I was discussing like I was discussing on the 4-hour chart. Donc même concept sur le 1 heure là, on a créé un nouveau haut, on attend de créer un support pour retester, même chose que sur le 4 heures. Présentement, cette nouvelle chandelle là de 1 heure a brisé le bas précédent, respecté le haut précédent. Donc techniquement, la prochaine chandelle devrait aussi continuer vers le bas. So technically on H1, this new candle broke previous lie, jeez, broke previous high, respected previous low. Again, it's too early. Broke previous low, respected previous high. So technically, this next candle should continue down, right? Oh my god. I think I'm a little tired. Okay, so looking at 30 minutes, same idea here. So nothing crazy again, same idea. We have a hard time breaking this QP here, but once we break it and close under, we should continue down. And I'm going to be waiting for an entry around this this area. Let's see if it actually work with our. Oh yeah, perfect. So let's put this our golden zone here, and since market is trending, this is perfect. Should work pretty good. Let's take a look at 1 hour. Do you have the same thing? Yes. Yes, we did. All right, perfect. Excelente. Whoops. There we go. Ouais, en gros, c'est pas mal ça. Donc, so that's it. That's it for GJ. This is my only plan, basically. I want to make sure that. Let's put this blue. This is so weird. This is not the same color as usual. What? What is this color? This is so weird right now. What's happening with my computer? I cannot get the same. Anyways, let's do this. All right. Where's my other zone? Okay. All right, so that's it, guys. This is idea for GJ. I'm not looking for sells, like I said. I'm gonna be looking for sell only if we break that 250 QP here. So basically, I'm gonna write it down here. Only looking for sell under QP 250. All right, and waiting to see support form in the GZ. So here's the idea. All right, so now let's be patient and wait, you know. All right, let's take a look at this here. Can you guys hear me? No, we can't. I don't know why. Okay, let me try to find out. Can I? And this is weird because I only have people from. I don't know where's the Telegram people. It seems like people are not able to log in on Zoom, which is kind of weird. Will the Telegram be joining us? Yeah, should. Let me try to resend that link. That is so weird. Send invite. Let me try to do this again. Oh, seems like, where the hell did I send that? I don't know where I sent it. So, sorry guys. I just resent it again. Oh well. But the weird thing though is every time I'm switching my screen, I'm losing the camera. Oh, see? Now people are joining. Okay. That's so weird. Yeah, Zoom is giving me problem this morning. Like, I'm not able to get the cameras here. Usually I get the cameras here on top. But seems like not able to get it. All right, you're welcome. All right, so let's take a look here. And this is the last day that Telegram's gonna be on Zoom. So after that, it's gonna be only students. Come on, man. How can you forget us? But I don't know. To be honest, I don't know where I post that link, but definitely I posted somewhere that no one's there. All right, so let's see here. Are you entering sell here on GJ? Hell no. Why you want to sell into a crazy ass bullish trend? Donc la question était, est-ce que tu vas entrer un sell ici? La réponse est non. Pourquoi vendre quand le trend est bullish? Okay. You took a paper trade on GJ sell? Alright, great. Yeah, it can work, but I'm not interested into counter trend trade. Not in this movement, you know. I can catch a way better move because here, I mean, you got from there to there, which is great, but I think we can go catch a bigger move from the upside. The GZ is golden zone. So it's a fib rejection between the 50 and 618. Morning, Sasha. Wish you a successful session. Thank you very much. Funding Time Challenge. What are the updates? Oh, you are late, my friend. You missed a couple episodes of Forex Talk Over Beer. Long story short, I screwed up on the drawdown rule, and the reason why is usually I don't trade Asian, so I don't have any problem because I focus on the drawdown from my active session. But that day, I only had a couple of days left, so I decided to do a swing trade from Asian session to New York session. It actually went to drawdown. After that, hit my TP. But yeah, I completely forgot that the drawdown from Asian session was actually counting into my new day. For me, it's a new day, but in the broker system, it counts as the same day. So I kind of screwed up on that because in my session I went to drawdown first before getting to my my profit, and yeah, broke the rule, man. So I screwed up. But yeah, and I was already telling whatever happened, pass it or not pass it. After that, I will focus on my own fund. So I've been calling that for months on previous streams and Forex Talk Over Beer. All right, Mike. Good morning, Sasha. You don't send password for Zoom. It's sent now on Telegram, and Discord. Hey, Sasha, any trade? No, not yet. Yo, Sasha, looking towards today's stream. Awesome, man, Jason. It's good. All right. On t'entend sur YouTube. Ok, parfait. Ok, ça c'était tantôt. Supermom FX. Man, if my mom, her name was Supermom FX, I'll be pretty excited. It's pretty cool, I think. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. No Zoom link. Okay, I guess we fixed that. So hopefully you guys, before jumping into Zoom, I hope that you guys give a like to the stream first before leaving YouTube. If not, go back on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, give a like to the stream. I lost the strays in pre-London. What did I did wrong? If you can help me. All right, let's take a look at it. 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 Oh yeah, first I want to see, can I unmute everyone? Can you guys unmute yourself? I just want to do a test. Can someone unmute himself? Okay, so it seems like I don't hear Andrew, and I think I know why now. Yeah, that's why. Here we go. Now that should work. Can you guys speak? Ah, here we go. So finally. All right. Sorry, guys.
Man, what happened with you today, man?
I don't know, man. Pretty tired. All right. Sorry about that, guys. All right. So now that we're good to go, let's take a look at this trade here. All right. So this is GJ 15 minute. I took this trade because left side was clean traffic, but probably wasn't in my side this time. Price found difficulties from rejection in the pass zone. Risk managed well. All right, so let's see here. Price broke support. Support burst broken. Okay, yes. Stopped out. Oh, okay. But this comes back to, okay. So this comes back to, I'm gonna ask you a question. Okay. So this is, who was that? This is I don't know. So basically, I'm gonna ask you one question. What is the trend? So I need your answer on the chat on YouTube. What is the trend? Is the trending bullish or bearish? So I'm asking YouTube here. Is that a bullish trend or a bearish trend? The trend was bullish, right? So now, second question, why you want to sell in a bullish trend? If you want to sell into a bullish trend, you need a very, very big confirmation. Oh, guys, can you mute yourself, please, if you're not talking on Zoom? Thank you very much. So basically, okay, so I'm going to give you an example here, okay? So when you see a candle print like this, one bearish candle, even if it's a strong bearish candle, doesn't mean a change of trend, you know? You need to wait for solid confirmation. So meaning you need this support to form, create resistance here, and break previous support to have a very good confirmation for sales. So that's what I'd be looking at. So this is really, really important, guys. Because if you try to counter trend trade, man, you're gonna hurt yourself. More time, more often than ever. Donc la question aussi est très importante parce que la personne voulait savoir comment s'améliorer. Et la réalité, c'est que j'ai posé une question. La question est, est-ce que c'est un trend qui est bullish ou bearish? La réponse est bullish. Donc si tu prends un sell, ça te prend une super bonne confirmation. Donc ça te prend... C'est pas parce qu'une chandelle... Oups. C'est pas parce qu'une chandelle ferme bearish que là, tout d'un coup, on est bearish. Il faut attendre d'avoir une meilleure confirmation que ça. Donc, ça veut dire que ça nous prend un support formé, venir ici, créer une résistance, briser le support, puis là, on peut prendre une entrée. Mais sinon, tu attends pour une meilleure entrée pour un buy. So, I think that was really good that you sent that chart because a lot of people do those mistakes. So that actually helped the community, right? Where is my... Oh.
Morning, morning.
Morning, morning, sir. How are you?
Doing great.
Puis je sais pas pourquoi je suis pas capable de voir vos caméras. So by the way, guys, I don't know why on Zoom has a little bug. I'm not able to see your cameras.
Really? Damn.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Je m'étais mis sur mon 36.
So weird.
Yep.
Alright, so let's see here. Do we have any other question? What is QP? QP is quarter point. The trend was bullish. Okay, direction of price movement. Boom, boom, boom. Bullish, bullish. Alright, so we got some... Okay, bro, thanks. What is why I come here to ask anything and learn as much as possible? Yeah, that was perfect, man. It was perfect for you to send that. This is actually how people learn, you know? People sometimes get scared to send chart, and that's why they don't learn. You know, I got my ass kicked, man. I got my ass kicked when I was sending chart to people at first. And, you know, this is the best way to learn. So let's take a look at Christopher's chart. All right, so let's take a look at this. So this is GJ 30 minutes. All right, so we got a new high here, 15-minute resistance here, okay. 4-hour support, 1-hour wick, possible sell, clean traffic, left side, oh, no. Possible buy if support form to retest, yes. Yes. I'm not saying sell cannot work, I'm just saying, for me, it doesn't make sense. But yeah, it can work. It's a short, you gotta understand it's a very, very short-lived trade, right? It's probably a couple pips, maybe 7-8 pips, and that's it. But if you know that and you're able to manage your risk, yeah, maybe. But to be honest, I prefer to wait for a better quality setup. So this is my new thing this year. I focus on less quantity, better quality. Donc, encore une fois, ici, on avait peut-être une idée de sell. Faut comprendre que c'est vraiment un counter-trend trade. Ouais, ça nous prend une meilleure confirmation. Il faut comprendre que si on vend ici, ça va être vraiment pour une courte période de temps. Les sells vont être beaucoup mieux en bas de... qu'est-ce qu'on avait dit tantôt? 148, 250? 149... Ouais, you... 149, 750. Oh, j'ai écrit 250. Little mistake here. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. A good question there is no data. A good question there is no data for 30 minute GJ on left. What to do? Check whether there's a resistance or clean traffic. Yeah, you need to go on the high time frame. So this zone is a 4 hour time frame, and I can have indication also with my QPs. So yeah, you have no choice. You need to go on 4 hours. Because I think even 1 hour, I'm pretty sure even 1 hour doesn't have. Yeah, see, we got nothing on 1 hour either. And 4 hour, I think we're just borderline, yes. So, it is what it is. Alright, let's see here. Alright, so let's take a look at GA. GA yesterday saved my. Yes. GA saved me yesterday. Oh man. Guys on Discord, man. Have you seen that sell setup that we talked about? Shit. Woohoo! So yeah, so we discussed that sell on GA on Discord in our group, and pretty amazing sell. My entry on paper trade was actually right here. Yes. So, oops, no, here. So that was my entry on paper trade, of course. My stop was right here. And I was targeting the next zone right here, the next QP here, the 750 QP. So that was my target. So that was, yeah, that was a 3-1. Pretty good. And it actually went to, god damn, 132 pips. Shit, dog. Man, I'm gonna start pressing the button on those ideas. Man, alright. So, let's take a look at it. So let's take a look at the monthly. And that's where I got confused yesterday, because I was only looking at this, right? But if you look, the monthly here from the past couple months is bearish, right? And yeah, it's bearish. So this, by the way, this candle, this monthly broke previous high, respected previous low. So this monthly should continue like this, right? But again, this month is not done yet. And if you look at the weekly, we are trending bearish, right? We are trending bearish on the weekly time frame. Broke previous low, respected previous high. So this week should close bearish, right? Donc si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, on voit qu'on trend bearish. On a brisé le bas précédent, respecté le haut précédent. Donc cette semaine-ci devrait continuer vers le bas. Looking at the daily, same concept here. I mean, daily is trending bearish, right? So if you see, the main trend is bearish. We had this double top here on the daily. People took entry right here, so that's pretty good. And yeah, this daily broke previous low, respected previous high. We should continue down. Now we're getting this, this daily resistance here, which is also a QP. So it's gonna be maybe gonna have a little, maybe gonna have a hard time breaking it, but once we break it, should be good to go. Donc encore une fois, si on regarde sur le chart journalier, on a brisé le bas précédent, respecté le haut précédent. Par contre, là, on arrive à une résistance daily, un support daily et aussi un QP qui est un QP très fort. Donc, il faut voir si on le brise, si on va être capable de le briser. Ça va être un petit peu dur, mais convaincu que ça devrait se passer là aujourd'hui avec le volume du NY Open. Alright, looking at 4 hours. Alright, so this was my mistake yesterday. Okay, so I was looking at this chart like this. So I was like, all right, chart is bullish, right? So I was trying to grab a buy. But if you look at this, it's a bearish trend, right? So price just went up to come up before continuing down, right? So so that's where I got kind of confused yesterday. Did a rookie mistake. So anyways, so all right. So this is the 4 hours. So now let's start to do our zone here. I don't know, where is my regular collar? What's going on with my man? I don't get it.
Yo, Satch, tu peux te faire des templates là, que tu peux tout le temps sauvegarder. Là.
Ah ouais?
Mettons, si tu cliques là-dessus, là, tu peux te saver un template à mettons zone. Save during template as, puis là, écrit zone. Puis là, tu pourras toujours avoir ton même setup.
Mais je comprends pas pourquoi mes couleurs sont disparues. C'est les couleurs de base, là. C'est plus les mêmes checks, c'est même plus les mêmes.
Ouais, ben il y a eu un update là.
Ah, that's why.
Le graphisme est changé. Puis, check aussi là, à droite ici, tu peux te faire. Je voulais mettre une flèche là, mais dans ta liste. Oh, tabarnak. Tu peux te faire des sous-sections. Si tu cliques droit là-dedans, là, tu peux te faire, mettons, tu mets toutes tes pans ensemble, toutes tes USD ensemble.
Oh, nice.
C'est fly. C'est bien fly.
Ooh. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
So I just received a private course on TradingView. I always tell people, it's funny because people sometimes they contact me, they ask me a question about, I don't know, magic key or how to install an indicator. I'm like, guys, I am the worst for tech stuff. I'm the worst. So, anyways, all right, where I was. All right, here. What the hell? So I'm gonna have to click this every time.
Non, après ça, tu fais juste sélectionner zone, puis il va se mettre la couleur de ton template. Mettons, tu te refais. Ben là, il est correct.
Ah, ok.
Mais tiens, mettons que tu veux te mettre une zone rouge pour indiquer quelque chose, puis après ça, tu vas revenir
Ah,
à ton
ok.
template classique, tu remets zone. Même affaire pour tes lignes de QP, là, mettons, tu peux mettre Major QP, il va toujours être mauve, Minor QP, il va toujours être bleu.
Oh, nice. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah. Thank you. All right. So, you know what? We're going to move the zone over here. That makes sense. And next one on 4 hours is going to be right here. So, oops. Why? Oh. Where's the lock? Here. There we go. So where is 750? 750. You know what? Let's go on the 1 hour. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame now. So let's see if the zone is good here. Let's move this over here. We're gonna add one more over here. And yeah, I'm not gonna put one here. I got this QP. Try to keep my chart clean, right? Donc je mettrai pas une zone ici parce que déjà mon QP. Ici j'ai mis une zone parce que c'est majeur. So here I put a zone because it's a major one. I want to make sure be careful with this. I want to see a very nice clean break, retest and shoot down. I think that would be pretty good on GA. Donc ce que j'aimerais voir là c'est un bris de cette zone là. So basically, let me grab annotation here. So what I want to see is a clean break, come back, retest, create resistance, and boom. So that's what I want to see. So c'est exactement ce que j'aimerais voir. Je voudrais voir un break, close, on revient, on reteste, crée une résistance, puis on continue vers le bas. So that's what I want to see on GA. Okay, great. There we go. So let's take a look here. Do we have other zone? Yeah, we have a lot of noise here. Phew. Let's take a look at 30-minute. Yeah, I'm not gonna be greedy in that zone because in between those two QPs, look at those support. So I'm not gonna put support everywhere because I know there's can be tricky. So, yeah. So basically, I'm gonna be looking to grab probably like a short 10, 11 pips, and that's it. If my play happen, only if I see something that I really want.
It's on a weekly support too.
Yes. Correct. So, alright, so got a GJ sell idea, GA sell idea, and GJ buy idea. So, let's write it down here. Want to see.
Je viens de grab ourselves sur GA, je roule 8 pips.
Want to see break, close, and retest. Attends un peu, je te reviens. For sell. Ok, tu me disais quoi, toi? Tu disais quoi, Marc?
Je viens de take un sell sur GA. Dans le fond, j'ai short au break du low avec un stop sur la mèche courante. Je roule 8 pips.
Ooh, so we got Mark who
Mais
grabbed.
c'était risqué en crise parce que j'ai short à 1,76,992.
Ok, t'as short.
Direct sur le QP.
Ouais, c'est ça, je m'en allais dire. Wow. So we have a cowboy with us today.
Yeah.
And it actually it's paying out now, but this was super risky. So basically, Mark took an entry when it broke. Mark?
Ouais, exact.
Okay.
Dans le fond, exactement. Quand on a break le low, j'ai exécuté un sell, puis j'ai mis mon stop juste en haut de la mèche courante.
Okay, so stop was right here. Took the sell when it broke previous low.
Yep.
This was super duper extra risky. For many reasons. For many reasons. So you got this QP, you got this resistance. Yeah, and you're at the daily support.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean,
Yeah, I know.
that was super duper risky. But you know what? You're what now? You're probably at 10 pips profit, no?
Yeah, I took partials and everything.
There we go. So now, yeah. So good job, but
2-minute trade.
yeah, that was a little cowboy.
Yeah, I took the same trade, but here.
Oh,
After
nice.
the 4-hour closed, it made I think it was this candle after this one.
Okay, nice.
And I entered over here, yeah.
All right. So more people are trading GA now. I guess I had just started a new trend.
Yeah, man, GG is horrible. Really horrible for me.
I think someone told me, I was not on the stream one time, but I thought someone told me that actually Raja actually took a trade on GA one time.
Yeah.
After I started to post chart on GA. So.
No, he never took the trade.
Oh, he didn't took it? Oh, okay.
No, actually, he never took the trade.
Oh, okay. I was like, oh man, I started something. Yeah, so two good plans here. All right, so that's good. Okay, let's see here. Brian, I'm upset there won't be more Zooms. Oh, but there's still gonna be YouTube. And hey, if you want to join us, the promo code is still available for the full mentorship program until the 26th. Here we are. All right, cool. Karen. I'm trying to see if I missed some question here. Morning session, just tune in late. What is the issue with your funding talent challenge? Oh, you can rewind that maybe. A good question. There is no that. Okay, answer that. We did that. Good question. Hey Sasha, will.
Hey, Sanjay.
Yes.
I got a question before you continue. Can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, here's the thing. Like yesterday, funding challenge. They released a new challenge. Do you have any information about that? Like anything? Like it is like FTMO, I guess.
Yeah, that's the one I was doing like a month ago, or I'm so bad with dates. Yeah, that's the one I was testing a month ago. They only allowed like 100 people to do it, so that's the one I was testing. Yes, it's pretty much like FTMO, but with better rules and better split commission, a little easier to pass also. So I think they're gonna, to be honest, I think they're gonna destroy FTMO.
But this is like it's unlimited sports. There's no requirement for the like numbers. You can join as much people as you want.
Yeah, anyone can join that challenge. Yes.
Should I try that instead of FTMO? What would you say?
Oh, personally, I checked FTMO, and this is my personal opinion, right? I don't want to start I don't want to start a debate here. This is not the goal. This is just my personal opinion. For me, funding talent was the best option. Okay, so and you can look. I have a video explaining that on my YouTube channel. Um, so you can take a look. I have a special Forex Talk Over Beer special edition about funding talent. And I also have another video about funding talent journey.
Oh, thanks a lot, man.
You're welcome. You're welcome, man.
Yeah, I agree with you. They are decent people, man.
The what? Sorry.
I said they are decent people. The funding challenge.
Oh yeah, they're very great
Yeah.
people. Yes.
Yeah.
And I got withdrawals on time. I mean, they don't play with that. Just, and if you didn't get withdrawals, trust me, there's something. So um. All right, so let's see this chart here. Oh, I guess what? Rob. Oh, why am I not able to? Let's try this again. There we go. Okay. So this coming from Rob. This is GBP NZD. Oh, awesome. Looking for a break and retest here with clean traffic to the left. So what time frame is that? 1 hour? Okay, let me check something. Okay, so you gotta be careful here, because I think you're gonna create. You got this. What you got here? You got. Okay, let me remove this. You got this, this. Yes, it buys around here. So I would be very careful, because this is a pretty good reversal pattern, especially that you have your trend, which is bullish. Now price coming down, and maybe we're gonna come back up. So I will look, personally for me, I will look for sell under this level. But yeah, sells can work here. You have room, right? You have definitely room, but make sure you got a great confirmation. So maybe a break and retest. But I would not take an impulse, especially at GBP NZD. It doesn't move like crazy, crazy, crazy ass move. So it's not that fast. So most of the time you'll get the retest. So that's just my idea here. I didn't chart it, so I didn't look at the 4 hours daily and everything. But just from what I saw here, that's what I can see. Someone's asking about GU. Just need to send your chart on GU, and I'm gonna be taking a look at it for sure. Hey Sasha, will we still be able to tune in via YouTube? Seems that today's last Zooms. Oh yes, yes. YouTube's gonna be on Tuesday and Thursday still, so same thing. And with students, I'm gonna be trading live with students every day. So we're gonna have actually a virtual trading floor open, so even if I'm not there, people can exchange and trade all together. Yeah, I've been thinking about the mentorship program. The issue I have is our exchange rate to USD to 14.5 to 1 USD, so it becomes so expensive. Oh. Send me a message. Send me a message on Instagram. I have maybe something that can help you. Just send me a message on Instagram. All right. So Karen too. All right. So Karen, send me a message on Instagram. I'm gonna try to help, but I can only do it until the 26th. Because our full mentorship program start on March 1st. So, all right. Let's see here on YouTube. Morning, morning. Oh, comment ça va, Cendrillon?
Ça va bien. J'ai ouvert ma caméra, mais mon chat est sur moi, je vais attendre qu'il s'en aille.
De toute façon, je vois pas la.
Ta tronche, là.
De toute façon, je vois pas la caméra de personne.
Ouais. Comment ça?
Je sais pas, j'ai un bug là. Check, quand je switch d'écran. Quand je switch d'écran, tu vois-tu? Vous avez vu vite vos caméras apparaître?
Yeah.
Check, boom, puis ils disparaissent. Je sais pas pourquoi. So camera appear and disappear, so I don't know why. So if I do this and this, I can see you for like 1 second.
Finalement, c'est bon en maudit, mec.
So, no, this is not the computer. This is, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I'm so not techie, so when those things happen, I freak out. I get so anxious. It's just like, I don't know how to fix it, you know?
Like my father.
Oh, man. Oh, man, je viens en sacrament, là, pour rien. Hey, j'ai déjà lancé un laptop dans un mur plus qu'une fois, man.
Jesus. Ça, j'étais le genre de petit gars qui pitchait sa manette d'Xbox dans la nouvelle TV de ses parents.
Ouais, mais à l'époque, c'était une manette de Nintendo.
Ouais. Avec un fil.
Avec un fil. Fait que l'affaire, c'est que quand tu le lançais, des fois, t'en revenais dessus.
Elle revenait sur toi, c'est ça. Good times.
Alright, so let's see here. Do we have any other message here? Oh, Albert Le Zoulou, je suis dans le goulag aujourd'hui. Ah, j'ai envoyé une invitation en retard. Ou je sais pas où je l'avais envoyé, mais j'ai fait une erreur. Donc, tu peux venir nous rejoindre maintenant. Hi, Sasha. Have you ever tried to trade gold? Yes, I backed this gold. Never actually. I think I never... Hold on, I don't want to say any bullshit here, but... Yeah, I'm pretty sure I never took a trade on gold. Oh, maybe once or two with a signal bullshit. Yeah.
Took a trade on gold. Wow.
Yeah, I think I never took a trade, but I never took a trade myself on gold. Yeah. So you see, people was messaging me yesterday. It's like, oh man, how can you be staying out of gold when you see everyone on the stream going crazy on the gold? I was like, it's easy. I just don't trade it. It's just like it's not why should I try to trade a pair that I don't master, you know? If you're not mastering your pair, I mean, of course, I mean you can follow leads from people and try to get money from there, but for me, it doesn't make sense. So all right, so let's see here. Do we have any more questions? Hi Sasha, how you draw the golden zone from the last bottom push to the up? So swing low to swing high. Donc la question était comment dessiner le FEB, sauf que c'est à partir de la dernière impulsion. Donc impulsion baissière à l'impulsion haussière et ça va vous donner votre golden zone. Ici. GG buy at the break of the high. GG buy at the break of the high. I don't know where you see that, but
C'était du FOMO, man.
yeah. Oh, here? Yeah, no. That's trying to buy the top, man. You know, it's just like the top is here. Why are you trying to buy the top? It's either you wait for a break and retest, or you wait for price to come down, create support, and push back up. That's what I'm waiting. By the way, what is QP? Oh, quarter points. Quarter point. GZ2 is golden zone. FTMO is a big scam. Oh, maybe. I don't know. I cannot say that. Never try. I only tried their trial. So many times.
Different experience with the TMO.
What?
I think everybody has different experiences with the TMO.
No, exactly. Some people had good experience. Some people had bad experience. So many times mistakes in the metrics. Oh, okay. GZ's golden zone with FIB and QP's quarter points. Oh, thank you. Some people got my back here on the chat. Good morning, Sasha. Would you take a look at this trade I took on GG early today? Thank you. Sure. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at it. Man, I need to be careful. I need to lower my voice. Forgot my wife's still sleeping because we talked about that. So people are trying to sell into a bullish trend. So that's why. That's one of the reason. Oh, actually close full because it's a counter trend trade. Oh, perfect. Excellent. When candle broke it. Perfect. So that's good. You knew it was a short-lived trade. Perfect. Grab the bags and run, right? So that's good.
GG, le close avec pas de whip, man, c'est déjà une bonne première indication.
What? So people, please. I mean, when you see this candle coming back up, breaking the high, please don't do this. I mean, you don't want to buy a top, right? So wait for retracement down, form support, and retest the high. But if you're trying to buy over here, it doesn't make sense. You know, it doesn't make sense. And if you take it at the break here, it's even worse because it can be a fake out. You know, so you want to see a break, close, come down, create support, and push back up. So guys, relax, man, relax. You're gonna have plenty of opportunity, right? So let's see here. Promising sell? No sell at all. Why do you have the level at 150.40? This is a H4 level. If you look on 4 hours, you'll see that level to the left. 150 hit from Ironman? Yes. Totally hit, man. Totally hit. Good job. Have you ever received a payout from Funding Talent? Oh yes, many. Yeah, many, always on time. PayPal was quick. So yeah. I actually received my last one, I think yesterday or 2 days. 2 days ago? Yeah. Because I stopped, you know. So again, I explained that before in the stream, so you can rewind that and listening to. Have you ever received? Oh, okay. So answer that. Perfect. Let's see here if we have any more question. Hi, Sasha. What are your opinion? The difference between your live session and Raja's one? I don't know. I don't know. I guess we all trade differently, right? Well, we all see chart differently. So I guess it's just a matter of fact of, I mean, it's like a teacher, you know, when you're at school, you can have two teachers that is going to teach the exact same math class, okay? The exact same math class, but with one of them, you're going to understand more and you're going to click more and you're going to be better with that one. So you just go with that one, right? So I think it's pretty good to have different option and you just choose, you know? Some people will be like, man, I can follow this Franglish, man. This accent pissed me off, so we'll go somewhere else, you know? It's perfect, you know, it gives many options to people. And in mine, you can learn French as a bonus. So, of course, I'm fucking around, right?
No, that's completely true, man. I haven't practiced my French since I was like 12 years old.
There we go.
Hearing you, Phil, Mark.
There we go, man. Donc, encore une fois, il y avait des questions pour les gens, pour des gens qui essayaient de vendre ici. Oui, comme je disais, ça peut fonctionner, mais il faut comprendre qu'on va sûrement renverser. Puis il y a des gens qui essayaient d'acheter autour d'ici. C'est la pire idée à faire, pire chose. Parce que tu essayes d'acheter un haut, un sommet. Donc, attends que le prix vienne plus bas pour repousser vers le haut. Brian, I've been thinking about the... Oh, okay. I answered that. Hi, anybody Indian here? I don't know, I'm not. Perfect, thanks, Sasha. We'll send IG message. Brian, okay, cool. Sasha, what? And I think Karen also, right? Yes, Karen. Hi, Sasha. What are you? What's the meaning of gulag? Oh man, that's a long story. That goes back with when the boys started to play Call of Duty. So, but I'm sure you can Google gulag and you'll find out. Morning, mate. Morning. That was Mark at 6:27. So I guess I'm pretty late on those chat. Does anyone here know how to make Magic Key work for another pair? I only traded GJ, but trying gold today. However, Magic Key won't connect to my gold chart. Again, I'm gonna repeat that. I am the worst tech guy ever. When my Magic Key doesn't work, I take it, I throw it outside, and I order a brand new one. So that's exactly what I do. So yeah. So alright, so anyone that got that short here, so secure your profit because now price about to reverse. So be very careful. So we got this 30-minute that closed bearish with no wick at the bottom. So meaning that there's less room for price to continue down, right? So we had a little dip down, now rejecting this QP and golden zone. So let's see if we can form support around this area to continue up. And let's take a look at GA. Oh, GA did a little fake out. So that's why it was, oh, Mark, because we got a cowboy here that took a sell here on GA. And that is why it was super risky. You see that? Boom, rejected.
Wait, Mark had a sell right now?
Yeah, Mark had a sell at the broke of this wick here. And I was like,
No,
what?
He already closed it.
Yeah, he closed it. Yeah, he closed it with 10 pips or 11 pips, I think. But that was super duper risky. It's a daily support. It's a 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour support, just like a major QP. So you want to see a strong confirmation for sells. Let's see here. Okay. Trying to see questions here. How do you identify GZ? Oh, it's with the FEB, Fibonacci. It's between the 50 and 618. Nice. Would love to learn French. Yeah, you can learn compare words into the stream. Oh, your accent. Yes. Yeah, Canadian Franglish accent. And there are some words I don't say the right way. I know that. I know. I always wanted to learn Franglish. Yeah, I think Franglish is becoming a real language. It's crazy, man. Sometimes I talk to my friends or family and I start English, flipping French to English in the same sentence. Just like, it's crazy. You're not a bad techie, just a rich man. Oh no, I'm not. I'm not rich. Hey Sasha, new here. What's a GZ Golden Zone? Yes. Rhinestone Cowboy. Okay. Let's see here. Andrew got your 10 pips. All right. Andrew got his 10 pips. LOL. Men swimming in pips to buy magic key like that. Oh, yeah. I wish. No. If you teach this small sentence in French every live sessions, look cool. Yes. Mark did not draw a wheelchair, and that's why it failed. Completely agreed on that. Totally agreed. All right, so the you guys probably know the classic one, which is Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? I'm sure you guys all know that one, right? Because that's the one you need when you go into a club and you know there's French woman or French boy, right? So that's the one you need. So that's a key one. So just learning that one, it's gonna be good. If support from on the gold zone, do we take a buy? I don't know about we, but I'm gonna be looking at a buy. Val a dit no way, montre-leur pas cette phrase-là. Not working. Yeah. Like again, you gotta be waiting here, so don't rush anything, guys. Why do I feel like after the say the sentence, I will end up in jail for some reason? That is possible. That is really possible. Are you executing the second M15 in long if the GZ works? No, I'm not touching the 15 minutes. I'm allergic to 15 minutes now. Just every time I look at 15 minutes, my eye burn, you know, so I'm trying to stay out of it. It's really annoying, you know. No, to be honest, I sneak peek into 15 minutes, but I don't trade 15 minutes. I look at it to see that, okay, perfect, so excellent. But I took my entry on 30 or 1 hour. 1 hour looks super nice. I love 1 hour. Man, if I can get a support on 1 hour, phew, I'm going full margin, man. No, I'm joking. Explain your trading style and confirmation. So I guess if you stay on the stream, you'll see that. Yeah, you'll see that, and you can watch. I got many content on YouTube that you can watch, and you'll see how I execute and what I'm looking for. But yes, I'm gonna explain as we go. Why do I feel like? Oh, okay, answer that. Okay, this. All right, so we're up to date. So let's sneak peek into GA. So I didn't receive any chart from gold and EJ. This is rare. Usually people send me a chart from on gold. I know we got. Do we have? I think we got one of our dogs that trade gold. Should send your chart, man. Or maybe he was trading London session. I think. Oh, maybe. Man, gold is melting. Price came up. Came down, created a low, came up. Alright. Boom. Boom, boom. So let's see here. So this is gold 30 minutes.
I literally made my daily average weight.
Oh, c'est qui là qui me trahit pis qui me là?
God bless.
Yeah, guys, mute yourself, especially if you're watching another stream at the same time.
Les gens ils ont pas confiance.
Oh, Karen, you need to mute yourself. let me mute Karen. There we go. Alright, so let's see here. Gold. Looking at this, yeah. There's a lot of noise here. Let's take a look at 5 minute. This is the only pair I actually look at 5 minute. Oh man, there's a lot of noise here. Yeah, I think easy sell can be like right here, like under 1779. Yeah. That would be beautiful sell. You got this clean 1 hour. Yeah, definitely. Yep. That's yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on this. But yep. And if not, I think you can see maybe a reversal around here also. So you gotta be very careful. So looking at GJ, look like GJ is going exactly where I want it to go. So now we just need to see how this is gonna close. Watching Raja while in this Zoom, haha, that's rude. Oh, Malik. Hey Malik, welcome, man. Welcome. Oh no, I mute you, Karen. So that's good. Let's see here. Hey Sasha, can you explain to me why this candle with no wick is always a bad thing for trade when they are in a trade? Because that means there's less probability for price to continue down. There are no range, right? So it's a 50-50 chance, you know. Yeah. Let me put the light up. Here we go. La 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 la. So 646. I didn't take a look, but do we have any news here?
Non, on a juste une news sur l'US, ça a été mis.
C'est tout.
C'est assez, Carlis.
Yeah, nothing exciting. Well, gold should be moving. Yeah, not much here. Let's take a look at what happened. Oops, not this. This one here. Okay, so let's see what happened during the night. Japan reported ETN state of emergency in 5. Oh, that should give strength to the yen though. Yeah, that should give strength to the yen. AUD. Yeah, you can see that AUD is getting stronger. Okay. Excellent. Man, Mark. Mon petit cowboy, toi.
Ouais, j'ai pris du pied puis j'ai crissé mon casque.
Tabarnak.
Je filais cowboy.
Le gars que quand je prends des trades des fois, il me dit ouais, je sais pas, t'es cowboy. Hey, celui-là, il bat des records là.
Le gars, il short impulse sur un major QP à 6h30.
À 10h30, ouais, c'est ça. Tank trading plan, dans la toilette.
Yeah. C'est bien vrai. Ça a zéro respecté. Mais bon. Faut se donner des petits frissons de temps en temps.
Ouais, c'est ça. Alright, let's see. Hey Sasha, GJ, you look for a 30-minute bullish candle for entry? Yes. Or will you wait to see a H1 close? H1 seems strong and bearish. Yes. Yes. It's very strong. Very, very, very strong, my friend. So yeah, we gotta see the next candle, what happened. But yeah, I think if next candle print bullish on 30 minutes, I think that's gonna be great. And if price comes down in this area, I'm not gonna be looking at trades in here because this is, we should write this. This is dog shit. There we go. So that's a no trading zone.
Sasha,
Hey.
even if we respect the safety net.
The problem is with the safety net. Let me just put it here. Yeah, I'm talking about sell though. I'm talking about sell. But yes, if price comes and reject this line, we're gonna put it orange. Boom. So if price comes down and reject this line, yes, this is my safety net. Yes, I might be able to take a buy, but it's gonna be a low risk buy because I got this, all those rejection here, and this is a major QP. So you know what? If it actually break and close under here, no, I'm not gonna grab a buy. I'm gonna wait for price to come back up and close above. Because this is too strong. 150 is way too strong.
Okay, thanks a lot.
So I'm not gonna take any chance. But that was a really good question though. Donc je vais la répéter. Donc I'm gonna explain that in French because that's important. Donc la question était si on va sur le safety net, donc le net de sécurité sur le FEB, est-ce que tu prendrais un achat? Au début je pensais oui, mais après ça, après réflexion, non, parce que qu'est-ce qui arrive, c'est que si ça ferme en bas ici, mais après ça, le problème que j'ai pour acheter, je vais prendre une flèche, ça va être plus facile. Le problème pour acheter, c'est qu'après ça, on a ce QP-là qui est 150, qui est très très fort, directement en avant de nous. Puis on a en même temps qui est une résistance qui a été rejetée plein de fois. Donc c'est pour ça que je vais être très prudent. Je vais attendre à la place pour que le prix revienne fermer en haut pour prendre un buy. And it depends. Maybe with timing, depends what time is it too, you know? So that's another thing we need to look at. Andrew, what's up, Andrew? Some Pfizer news came out. Oh, nice. I think there's some Johnson & Johnson news that came out. Yeah, Johnson & Johnson's gonna have a vaccine that I think, if I understand correctly, only one shot instead of two. Easier to keep. I thought they don't have to freeze it, or I don't know. Anyways, all right. So let's take a look at this. This is Andrew GJ 60-minute, which is 1 hour. All right. So price make resistance here. Oh, look at this cowboy also, man. We got a lot of cowboy in the house today. Price
Told you, man. Yes, it was a paper trade, and then I just took it, man, with a small position.
Yeah, that's
just
good.
to try it.
That's good. That's good. So price close, yes. So the only thing, even with that paper trade, the only thing, okay, you actually entered on the.
Yeah, on the next one, the third candle. That
Oh,
was
okay.
a real trade.
Yes.
The second one was the paper trade,
Yes. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, that's good, man.
and that without view chair.
Yeah. No wheelchair, man.
But I'm already up like 80 pips now.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, at this.
I already secure profits at that.
Yeah, at this
And then I
point.
would break even on.
Yeah, coming in this area at this point, I will like. If it was me, again, I don't want to tell anyone what to do. But me, if it was my trade, I will be out.
This like a 0.01%.
Yeah, that's good.
Mini position.
So you wait for the wick to form, and after that, the bearish candle. Is that right?
Pour la vente, tu peux le poser en français, vas-y.
Ouais, ben Andrew, comment il est entré dans le fond, il a attendu que la wick se forme, puis qu'ensuite ça fait le bearish candle.
Ouais, il est rentré sur la deuxième.
Il est rentré en H1 par exemple.
En H1.
Ah, ok.
Voyons, you. Ouais, c'est ça, c'était en H1. Parce que celle-là était trop petite. Comment il est rentré sur l'autre?
Ok, ouais, mais c'est ça, c'est sur le deuxième candle. C'est ça, je comprends.
Ouais, ici, excuse.
Ah, ok, lui, ouais, c'est ça, ok, c'est good.
Ouais.
All good.
Alright, let's see here. Hey Sasha, can you explain to me why this candle would no? Oh, answer that. Answer that. GA potential setup I'm looking for. Already caught a move down, so no stress. Alright, so let's take a look at this GA potential setup. Oh, what I did. Oh. Missing the backslash here. Oops. Where is my backslash? Out. I guess. No. God damn.
J'ai pensé que j'étais mieux.
Ouais, c'était beau ça. C'était. Alright, so GA 15 minutes. Clean range was selling London Open, looking for a close above the zone. Okay. Rejecting, could have potentially taken this trade down. No trade. So what is the setup you're looking at? You're looking for a close above here? Yes, definitely. If it goes around here, definitely a nice buy here. Clean traffic, you got your reversal pattern, and yeah, I think that can be great. That's exactly what I'm the two option I'm looking for. But I think sell is gonna work. Let us see. Put a line here. You know what? I got my QP there, so that's good. So we got 3 minutes left into this candle. Hey guys, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to smash that like button. Oh yes, I got my little animation here. Boom! Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe also, so when we go live next time, you'll be notified. Oh, and guys, don't forget, guys, girls, everyone, don't forget to go on. Boom! We got this draw coming up here. So you need to share this into your story or tag friends in there, and you could be eligible for a draw. So basically, I'm gonna draw a magic key, a 1-year subscription at Trixie, and a full access to the course and mentorship. So this is everyone that shared this. Tag myself in it. and put the hashtag FX Dogs Academy. It's going to be eligible for the draw. And we also have a second draw that we do exclusive to the students. So anyone that sign up to the course until the 26th is going to be eligible for that draw. And I do the exact same draw with students. So let's say there's, I don't know, 15 students. You got one chance, I guess you got 3 chances out of 15 to win a prize, which is kind of good, right? So, I mean, if you want to, that's a good thing to subscribe now. So you get a chance for this, and you also get a chance for the everyone draw. So really simple. So it's very well explained here. So just make sure you go check that out. And I think those are pretty nice, you know. So, and Magic Key, 1 year subscription and Trixie, and full access to the course and mentorship. So, alrighty. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we got this. All right, cool. So we got 10 seconds left into this 30-minute NH1 candle. So this one's closing strong bearish, which is perfect. 30-minute close, pretty good bearish also, awesome. So now what I want to see next candle to print bullish with the, I would prefer like a nice engulfing or break the high, close a little smaller. It's still gonna give me a good confirmation, you know. So yeah, so I want to see that. Yeah, I think that's gonna be pretty good. Pretty good, my friend. But if it closes weak bullish, I wait for another confirmation. Alright, so looking at GA looks like we're getting this reversal. So yeah, I think buy above 250 QP can make sense. But again, yeah, so let's put this here. Buy above 250, oops, 250 QP.
Please, Sasha, can you explain if this one closed bullish but weak, so it doesn't break the high, it doesn't close
Sure.
engulfing? What about the other confirmation you're waiting for?
Yeah, okay. So very simple here. Let me do this. All right. So basically, if this candle close kind of, you know, let's say it break the high, but close like this. So we have a wick, you know, like kind of up here, but it closed like this. It's still a pretty good size, right? So at this point, I will be willing to grab that buy. But let's say that it closed, let's grab here. So, oops. So let's say it closed kind of like this, you know, a small body candle like this. I would wait for next candle to start. And once the, hold on, let's do this here. Once it start breaking the high, I will enter here. So that's going to be my second confirmation.
Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. As you see, I'm not the best at drawing. But as you see here, I think we have something pretty good now coming up. Yep. but no FOMO. No FOMO. All right, so broke previous high. Technically, we should be good to continue up. Pretty good, my friend. Pretty good. I'm gonna make sure that this magic key work. If not, you know the drill.
It's too early, man. C'est 5 minutes. C'est 3 minutes, Colin.
No, I'm not entering the trade. Whoa. Calm down here, guys. Not entering the trade. I'm just checking if my magic key work. So let me see, because I didn't open it yet.
Morning, Jimmy.
All right, so it works. So we're gonna be ready. All right.
Oh, no wick at the bottom though, hein?
Non. Ben, une petite mini, là.
I don't have one. Je parle pour le current 30, j'en ai pas, moi.
Oh, une good bug, là.
GA is coming up also. Still respecting that QP though. So we didn't broke the high yet. And this 30-minute doesn't have a wick at the bottom yet. So maybe we went up and now we're gonna continue down. I don't like when price start pushing my direction right away. But again, I'm in no trade. So gold potential sells. Oh yes, we looked at that. I don't think we're getting that support on the golden zone. Well, so far it looks like it, but we gotta wait.
We got it so far.
So far we got it, but again, this is way too early to confirm anything. Yeah, as you see, I mean, volume is dying for the bearish side. You see this small doji here? So it's dying, rejected twice this major QP. So now we just gotta wait. So far broke the high of this previous doji candle. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Any question here? Suresh, do London session, Sasha? I'm probably gonna do one day in the week with the group when we have enough people that trades London. Yeah, we're gonna do some London live session, but it's not gonna be on YouTube though. Sorry. If your SL is 15 pips, why do you close partial when the price hit 10 pips? So my answer to that is why not? What's there? Is it a rule that I don't know? I like to secure my money and run, so doesn't matter. And the RR for me is, yeah, of course, if I can catch like 1-to-1, super, 1-to-2, awesome, you know. But the RR for me is really not that important, and the reason why is as soon as my trade hits 10 or 11 pips, my stop got moved to break even. So suddenly my RR is 100%. So that's the reason. But yes, when I have clean traffic, sometimes I try to grab some more pips. Boom, boom, boom. So what is GJ's gonna do? What about gold? La 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 la. Explain your trading. Okay. GA is coming. Andrea. Yeah.
Rajay s'est équipé Dodge aussi.
Comment?
Rajay il s'est équipé Dodge.
Ouais.
Yeah, nice bar.
Ça a l'air assez un gros monstre.
Ah ouais, man. La CRT8, ça kick des culs. Là. En fait, je pense que c'est un CRT10 là, dans le Durango. Mais.
Ça avait l'air juste massif.
Ah non, c'est méchant, là. Fait qu'il il est dans la grande famille des Dodge. Yep. We are in the same Dodge family, me and him now. Is that Dodge? Ouais, Durango, c'est Dodge, hein?
En vrai, pourquoi il mettait de plus en plus des stories sur la neige, puis ça le faisait chier, puis tout, puis là, bang! Sans ça le matin. Hier.
Ouais, ben non, mais ça fait longtemps qu'il l'avait commandé.
Ah, ok.
Ouais, ça fait longtemps qu'il l'avait commandé. Je pense qu'il l'avait commandé, ça fait. Avant les fêtes, je me trompe pas.
Ok.
Oh, I missed some message here on Zoom. Sorry. Hi Sasha, I open up a buy at the zone where you are waiting to form support because it's a bullish trend. Do you think I'm forcing? Yes, you are. Because now we don't have a bullish confirmation. Exactly. Kendar still printing bearish. Michelle, great giveaway. Thank you. Yeah, Henry, you're definitely early. If you want probability on your side, you should wait for confirmation. That's coming from Phil, 100%. I took just a small position so I don't miss the move. So this is really important, Henry. So what you just said is one of the worst disease in Forex, and that is called FOMO. Okay. So FOMO is actually the worst thing you can have trading Forex. FOMO will blow your account. So be very, very careful with this. You need to understand that yes, you can miss a move and it's okay. Because you know what? Tomorrow is going to have another move. The day after is going to have another move. And the next week and the next month and Forex is going to continue. Right? You're always going to get a move. So even if you miss one, that's fine. Go in your journal it, see how you can take that move next time. And next time it happens, you're not going to be missing it. Sasha, will you do YouTube live stream next week? Yes. Yes, I will continue live stream on Tuesday and Thursdays. Hashtag no FOMO. I like that. Yes, FOMO can make you feel you are not good for trading. Oh yeah, man. FOMO is horrible. Man, 60 likes. We're doing good. I'm sure we can get to 100. I'm sure we can get to 100 likes. So guys, if you're on Zoom, jump on YouTube very quickly. Give a like to the stream. If you're on YouTube and didn't give a like to the stream yet, I mean, come on. Smash that like button. Smash it good. Hi, 130 minute is bullish, but 1 hour is still bearish. Do you take a trade? Thanks in advance. Man, Ibrahim. Man. I feel like you're making fun of me. Are you? Or you don't know my mistake from yesterday? Yes, if you watch Forex Talk Over Beer from yesterday night, watch it this is a perfect example on when to wait for a candle to print in the opposite direction when H1 just create resistance. So, but in this case here, it's not a resistance that got formed. It's a movement down. Yes, this one is bearish. Even if this one, let's say this one was bearish right now, next one, the first 30-minute print bullish, I will be willing to grab the move. But right now, I really, really, really like what I see. Right now, if this candle can close like this, that would be perfect. That would be perfect. But I'm so scared for, not scared, but I can feel like this shit's gonna shoot up, you know? And if I miss it, I miss it, you know? Because I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Some people is gonna wait for that 15, and it's good, you know, it's all good. For me, I just don't trade anymore in 15 minutes. This is part of my rules, so I need to stick with my rules. And yeah, but yeah, I mean, if next candle prints solid bullish like this doji becomes a write-off candle, so this becomes your support form, and you can enter the next candle, right? But if it closes with no wick at the top, it's gonna be a little scary. So it closed in 15 seconds. Again, I'm not getting that trade. I'm gonna wait for an extra 15 minutes. I'm waiting for the next, I mean not the next, but the 30-minute close. Donc, la question à regarder ici, c'est oui, on a un 15 minutes qui est très fort. Alors, on n'a pas une grosse mèche ici, mais ça peut continuer vers le haut. Personnellement, moi, j'aimerais que la 30 minutes ferme comme ça. En fait, même peut-être un peu plus petite, là, juste comme ici, ça serait parfait. Donc, c'est pour ça que je vais attendre. Et souvent, on va avoir quasiment la même entrée en 30 minutes qu'en 15 minutes, mais avec moins de stress. And often, if you wait for that 30 minutes, most of the time, so ici, I'm going to give you an example. We're gonna do a test, okay? So I'm going to put a little arrow here. So this is the 15-minute entry, and we're gonna compare later on with the 30-minute close and see, okay? But most of the time, I'm not saying every time, but most of the time you get almost the same entry, sometimes better on the 30-minute than 15-minute, but with less stress. So GA, okay, this. Great, thanks. I will watch that. You are doing a great job. Oh, thank you, Ibrahim. Thank you very much. Very appreciate. I'm trying to. Okay. So you see now people who took the entry on the 15, now they're going in a drawdown and they're kind of stressed. And I'm not, because I'm waiting. And this GA, people took impulse entry at the break here, and now they're stressed. So that's why you gotta wait, man. Waiting is gonna be taking out the stress. Where do you set the SL if the candle is too big? Sometimes I'm gonna look at the 15-minute and put my stop on the 15-minute. Sometimes. If not, I can place like a 15 fixed stop loss. 15 pips fixed stop loss. If GA turned bullish, I'm in on the 15-minute. On the 15-minute. Oh, I see. Yeah, it can work. Yeah, I can see it work. But to be honest, me, I'm waiting for close. 30-minute close. Because for me, it's too early for impulse entry. I only take impulse entry when there's volume in the market. And that's how you can, remove a lot of small losses. Because there's too many people trying to do impulse entry pretty much everywhere, at any time. Impulse works great, and people message me and say, "Man, I keep on losing," and I see the entry, and most of them are impulse entry. And I ask them, "When did you start trading?" 3 months ago. I'm like, "Oh shit." So yeah, impulse entry is not for now. Impulse entry is advanced, right? So you need to make sure you get experience first. Practice those impulse entry, know when and where to use it, and after that you can use it.
Sorry, Sasha. About GA, you wait for a confirmation about QP, right? But what kind of confirmation? So break and retest, or just the candle close above and you entry at the next candle?
Yeah, it depends at the time that we're gonna have the break, but let's say that the next candle breaks it. Let me grab something to draw here. Okay, so let's say that this candle breaks kind of right here. Okay, I'm gonna wait for, yes, this retest come down and shoot up. Let's say that this what time is it now? 7:30. So this one's gonna close 7:30. So this is gonna be 8. Let's say this one. Okay, let me remove all those arrows. Oops. Jesus. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's do this again. So you see, that's why you wait for confirmation, by the way. You know, you see people got an impulse entry right here when it broke, and now you're getting stopped probably, or very, very stressed. So let's say that the next candle closed like kind of right here. That's gonna be the 8 a.m. candle, right? 7:30, 8 a.m. Yes, perfect. So this one's the 8 a.m. So it's either we do a retest like we said, or at this time, I can use my dogtail setup. So price comes down, retest that QP, come back up. Once it break this high, I'm entering.
Okay. I'm so confused with volume time.
Yeah, volume time is very important. Volume time, yeah, so basically volume time is around 8:30. Okay, so 8:30 you get the NY open volume. Okay, and around 9:30 and 10 you get this NYSC push volume.
I'm right. 8:30 is it?
Yes. Well, anything between, to put it easy, anything between 8 and 10, you should have volume, you know. But where there's push, there's between 8:30 usually, and after that I see another push around like 9:30, 10, you know.
New York Stock Exchange.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Thanks so much as usual.
You're welcome. But anything between 8 and 10 should have volume.
Okay, thanks. And what, if I can ask, what about for London?
Yeah, London, I didn't really check like when the exact push, but because I know, let's say with NY open, I know that around 8:23, I know there's always like you see volume starting to push, right? But on London, I didn't check the specific time, but at London open, that's where you're gonna see a lot of volume, and it's easy to spot, you know, if you go back on your chart.
When I see big body candles.
Exactly. So if you look usually around like 3 a.m., you see 2 a.m., 2:30 and 3 a.m., they are big candles, you know. So between 2 and 3 usually has a lot of volume. So look at this one. So this one's here, here. So you see 3:30 big candle, 2 a.m. big candle, you know. So you got this pre-London, which is like the timing that we have right now. So pre-London 1:30. So yeah, so that should give you a good hint.
Okay.
But I'm gonna go. We're gonna go back this London session together.
Okay. Great.
So when we're gonna do one-on-one, we're gonna do back this. If you want to back this London together, we're gonna do it. And when we're gonna do simulation, I'm gonna alternate between like New York session, Asian, London, so anyone can have simulations, right?
Oh, well, that's great. And we can have a simulation together with a group.
Yes, simulation is going to be by group, but let's say there's specific stuff you want to check on London session, we can do it on a one-on-one also.
Okay, great.
You're welcome.
That 15-minute entry though.
Man, anyone that got an impulse here, man, rip that buy. Rip it. Oh, look at this. Oh shit. You see, this is a very, very good example on why I wait for 30 minutes.
Yeah, rip to all those people.
Look at this. This is, and I'm not saying,
Are we buying now?
I'm not saying it's not coming. I'm not saying, what?
Are we buying right now?
Oh, we're buying right now, yeah. So I'm not saying it cannot come back up, but I'm saying that now you are stressed because now you are 10 pips in a drawdown plus spreads, so probably like 12 pips in a drawdown. So now you're looking at it and now you don't know what to do. So at this stage, it's either you close full, close partials, or hold it, It's all up to you what you feel comfortable doing it. But you see, by waiting, I'm not stressed. I'm chilling, right? I'm just waiting for the close. So the arrow here for people that just joined is an example for people who took the entry on the opening of this candle following this bullish 15 minute. Yeah, brutal. Hey Sasha, do you trade gold? Not really. Actually, not really. I don't trade gold. I back this gold, but I don't trade it. You gotta focus on one or two pair, and I should say you should focus on one pair. And when you get experience, you can add a second pair to your portfolio, but not really more than that. I mean, I'm getting my money with GJ and now recently GA a little bit, and that's it. I don't need to trade gold. If I decide to trade gold, it's because I want a new challenge. Right now, I have enough challenge. Great, thanks. I will watch. Okay. Sasha, you are waiting for buys at GA because the trend is bearish. You are waiting for buys. No, I'm not waiting for buys. I'm waiting for sells. On GA? No, I'm waiting for sells. I says, yes, buy can be above 250 QP. That's one possibility because we can see a reversal around here. But I'm mainly looking for sells on GA because yes, the main trend is bearish. Definitely. Yeah, but we spoke about that. We spoke about the possibility of a reversal pattern here. As you can see, this, and this. You can take your entry kind of right here. And yeah. But I'm not really looking for buys around here. If I see a solid close, yes, I can confirm it's going to be a reversal, but I mainly look for sells. So maybe I wasn't clear enough.
Ça serait sick si le M15 il close avec pas de wick.
What?
Let's see.
Oh man, I'm like, look at this right now. Even quand même ça close la main, you can't really buy this. This is too weak.
Ouais, je suis là.
On va vendre. That's it.
Yep. Yep. Same idea, Mark.
Mon gars, Marc, I love your trading plan, man.
Yeah, I didn't check. I didn't check your trading plan, guys. I need to go check it out.
I saw it. I was like, ce gars-là, man, il écoute les websites d'architecture, il a des templates.
T'as-tu vu mon site web?
T'as pas un site web en plus?
C'est un fake.
Ah, ok. Ok, j'ai hâte de... J'ai pas été voir, je vais aller voir tantôt.
C'est un must.
Attends, le site web, il t'amène quelque chose?
Non, je pense pas.
Ok, regarde,
J'ai pas osé cliquer.
J'ai pas osé cliquer.
Mais ouais, c'était un plan qui était déjà fait, je l'ai juste comme peaufiné et adapté. Là.
Yeah, moi aussi, j'ai changé de template, mais j'ai écrit.
Yeah. On a déjà vu neiger, right?
Yeah.
Moi, ce que j'utilise récemment, c'est le checklist.
Yeah, 100%. Faudrait avoir un update sur Magic Key qu'il faut que tu coches tout, genre ton trading plan avant que tu sois capable d'ouvrir ton calque.
Ouais, ça serait bon. Yeah, I think that would be actually good.
Faut faire ça.
That would actually be good.
Les brokers, ils veulent que mon trade, man. Il va y avoir moins de trade, les brokers vont faire faillite.
Oh man, oh man. So...
Same right there. Small cell.
Tout ça, c'est ton fond, hein, Jim?
Tout le temps.
Yeah. C'était mon background l'année, c'est mon fond aussi. Hein.
Wait a second, what is this line here?
Un weekly level?
Ouais.
Hein?
Un weekly level, j'allais dire, peut-être? Maybe.
I don't know. It's weird. Bye bye, Mike. Have a great day.
Oh, it closed.
Oh, closed. I was not looking.
Maybe.
Yeah.
For me, it's too weak. I don't feel comfortable in this league.
Yeah. I'm only gonna grab maybe a small entry. Oh, whoops. What's the stop? Oh, 8 pips? Yes, I can do that. So it's gonna be a small entry.
8 pip stop?
Yeah, 8 pip stop. So you see, now I have a better entry than anyone who took an entry on 15 minute.
Yeah.
Actually, my partial TP is gonna be at their entry. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, so we'll see. What about GA? GA still ranging? So again, this is not the perfect setup, of course, but I think we got a pretty nice wick here to fill. We are in a bullish trend, so technically we should fill this wick. And we have no wick at the bottom, so meaning there's less probability for price to come down. And 1 hour, yeah, I think if 1 hour can close like this, if let's say that this 30-minute doesn't move that much and 1 hour close kind of like here, man, I'm gonna go adding more position. But so far running at 3 pips profit. Whoa, quelqu'un qui a échappé ses dents, man. Sasha, why the 9-10 line? 9-10 line. Oh, this is the safety net on the FEB level. Yes.
C'est quoi, c'est 78?
74?
74?
74?
74?
Ouais, il me semble que c'est ça, 74? 71? 74? Non, enfin, non, même.
C'est pas 78,6?
Ouais.
Ah, fouillez-moi pas. Là.
74, ça sort de où? Ça, on dirait mes notes au cégep.
Ça, c'est bon.
Ben,
là.
Chris, c'est bon.
C'est bon. Ouais, c'est ça que je disais, là. C'est 76. C'est ça que je disais, 76. Est-ce que vous m'écoutez pas quand je parle?
76.
76.4.
J'ai écrit à mon plan, mon gars, les FEB level, là, j'ai jamais genre joué avec, so that's something I'm gonna have to learn because never played with those.
Ben, me semble.
Hein?
Je sais pas, on dirait. Comment ça, t'as changé le fait de FEB level?
Qui ça?
Satch? Ouais.
C'était avec d'autres cours que j'ai eu.
Ok.
Combien de cours t'as-tu de ça pour
Tu nous caches des affaires?
Ben oui, je peux pas te donner tous mes secrets comme ça gratuitement. Là.
Ben, moi, j'ai 70, mais.
J'ai fait. J'ai fait. Ouais, Sammy, Raja, Q-Banks, My Life Real Quick, Daniel, Raoul.
Ben, tous les gros kiss de nom, en vrai.
Morning, Sasha.
Morning.
How are you?
Very good. What about you?
No bad, no bad.
Excellent.
That looks nice in the yellow box.
In the what?
In the yellow box, it looks nice.
Yeah, it does look nice. The only thing is the huge rejection on that last 30 minutes, but
Oh yeah.
but I think it's can still go, you know.
Yeah, it's a bit too risky though.
Yeah, that's why I only enter a small position.
Yeah.
I didn't use my full risk.
It's too early.
Yeah, exactly. It's only like what 7:30. Yeah.
9 a.m. here.
I think that would be great. Like I was explaining, if this 1 hour, so let's move to 1 hour. So if this 1 hour kind of close, I don't know, kind of right here, I think that will be awesome. If the 1 hour close right here, I'm gonna add more position on the opening of the next candle. But right now, doesn't look good. And that arrow was to prove to people that taking entry on 30 minutes can be better than 15 minutes. So
Zane is not here today?
non, j'ai pas vu Zane. I didn't see Zane this morning. So, alright, so here. Will you teach QP and FIBs on your mentorship bundle? Yes, of course. Yes. I teach all the tools I use.
GA also came back, huh?
Yeah. And it's about to break that low here. And here we go. Boom, boom, boom. So let's see here. And Ami, there's if you can find it, there's a promo code running somewhere in my Telegram. So, and this promo code is available until the 26th, which is tomorrow. Is it 25? Yeah, tomorrow. That's actually tomorrow. I'm doing the draw. So we got 2 days left. 2 days left before the draw. I think that's gonna be pretty interesting. I think we have like around like 60, 70 people that are actually entered the draw, so that's pretty good. Pretty good. And I want to thank Magic Key and Trixie for giving out those prizes. That's pretty good. Pretty awesome. And guys, if you don't know about Trixie, you should check Trixie out. Trixie is my best friend, is where I journal all my stuff. Actually, I didn't post my journal from yesterday, right? Did I forgot? I think I forgot. So you get trades. You see, this is, boom, trade from yesterday. And the cool thing about Trixie is I can actually come here and let's say I want to do this replay. I want to say, okay, how I actually form, boom. I don't pay the subscription on TradingView, so I don't have the replay mode. But here on Trixie, I get it for free. Well, not for free, but with the Trixie subscription. So I can do this. I said, oh, okay, there was my mistake, right? So, yeah. So that's pretty cool. And you can actually import your chart directly from TradingView now. So, which is another cool thing. Boom, boom, boom. Is your TP at resistance? My partial TP is at 11 pips, and my final TP, actually, I'm gonna secure another partial at resistance here, but my final is gonna be probably 150, 500. Actually, let me move that TP right now to 150, 154.90. Here we go. 492, I guess. And I'm gonna place a second partials right around like 153.55. And that's gonna be for another 50% close. Alright, so the first couple minutes we created a bottom wick, and now we're starting to push our way.
Ça look good pour qu'on puisse wickfill la wick qu'on a lancée.
Ouais.
Puis mes deux flèches, j'avais pointé tantôt, check, on a comme lancé une wick, on l'a rempli.
Ouais.
On a lancé une wick, on va potentiellement la remplir aussi à la même petite place sur 150.
Ouais, totally. Makes sense, Mark. Makes sense. So basically what Mark was saying is we had this kind of setup here last time at the same level, create a big wick, we filled it. Don't forget we are in a bullish trend, right? So most of the time those wick here on the upside, I don't see that as a rejection, I see that as a wick fill. So we should be able to fill this wick. And H1 looks really amazing. Really amazing.
Cheers, guys. See you later on Discord.
Hey, take care, buddy. Take care, Francesco.
Yeah,
bye.
Take care, mate.
Talk to you in Discord. Did you sold GA? No, not yet. I'm waiting for solid confirmation. On GA, I'm waiting for break and retest, or depends on the timing, but maybe a dogtail setup. But right now I'm in a small entry on GJ, so just gonna chill and see what happens. I should put this there, I guess, so for people that didn't know. So I did enter kind of right here, and it's at 203. So here.
Donc le AA il est pas super bon là-dessus.
Hein?
T'avais genre 20 pips de stock puis 10 pips de profit.
What I was saying don't forget to smash that like button. So if you're on YouTube, smash that like button. If you're on Zoom and didn't smash it, go smash it, please. Smash it good. So we had 65 likes. I'm pretty sure we can get to 100. Pretty sure, my friend. Come on. I saw you bought Mac Mini for stream. How much cost to you, and do you comfy? So yeah, my Mac Mini, yes, I love it. It's pretty fast. To be honest, like, man, doing editing with videos for the course and um, compressing them, and it was like bam, 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 bam. My friend is on a project with video editing also, and he's freaking out. Like one video of 30 minutes takes him like, I think, 2 hours to compress everything. Me, a 30-minute video took me like, I don't know, 3 minutes. It's just like, I don't know, that Mac Mini is, with the new M1 chip, is just like super powerful. It's not even funny. This Mac Mini actually can compete with a $10,000 PC tower, gaming tower. Yeah. Actually, there are some people who actually did the contest, and that Mac Mini kind of blow that $10,000 PC. So, yeah, I really recommend it. And yeah, how much cost? I mean, you can go on apple.com, because prices are different for US, Canada, different, I don't know where you are in the world, but yes, you can check apple.com. I actually upgrade mine. I put like more memories in it, but yeah. No, exactly. I bought the 30. Is it 8, 16, and 32 or 8, 16? Anyways, I got the bigger one. The I can't remember if it's 16 or 32, the biggest, but I upgraded to the biggest. And again, I bought that because I'm not techie, and I want to make sure when I need shit to work, it works. So, is there buy on this? If you look at the screen, I think that's pretty obvious, no? Yes. Yes. Do you let your trade hit full stop loss? Never. So the goal is always to reduce your loss, right? So in this case, I will be watching if I break the body of the candle. In this case, I only have 8 pips stop loss. So, and I only have a small position. So in this case, I'm not risking much, so I don't really care. But if I was having my regular risk, yes, I will be probably closing like probably around like -4 pips, closing maybe 50%, something like that.
This 30 can close similar to this.
The what? Sorry.
You're not from bullish. I think we should go up.
By the way, no, I'm just waiting. If, like I was explaining earlier, a couple minutes ago, I was saying if the 1 hour can close kind of right here, I'm gonna add more position because it's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful.
Le M15 est close bullish, on a break les high, puis man, le H1 sur DJ, c'est aussi trustable que 75 ans de mariage.
Oh, j'aime ça. J'adore. I like it like that. Yes. Yeah, so 15 minutes closed. Let's see here. Closed bullish, kind of small body candle. Now this new 15 broke previous high. So let's see where we can go. But again, I don't trade on the 15. I'm gonna be taking a look at 30 and 1 hour. Let's take a look at 4 hours. So 4 hours we're retracing here. Yeah. I think if next 4 hours can create support, man, that'd be amazing.
Alex, il a posé une bonne question dans le Zoom chat Satch concernant le risque.
Ok. Dans le fond, dans celui-ci, je suis pas trop stressé, Alex, parce que j'ai pris un entrée avec un très très bas risque. Ok. Et j'ai juste un stop loss de 8 pips. Donc, puis moi j'ai un fixed lot. Ok.
What is it?
Comment? Oh, ok. Donc,
Extra shipping for this?
guys, can you mute yourself? Phil.
T'es pas mute.
Phil. Ah,
Phil, t'es en train de se commander de la pizza pour dîner.
this guy. Phil is definitely our Mac. Alright. So I was saying, oui, c'est ça. Je disais, dans le fond, si la chandelle vient à peu près à moins 5 pips, peut-être que je vais closer 50%. Mettons que si on brise le bas, son bas actuellement, là, sa mèche à cette chandelle-là, ben là, je vais probablement closer 50%. Mais la réalité, c'est que mon stop est juste là, ici. Donc, j'ai juste 8 pips de stop, puis j'ai une petite entrée. Fait que je suis moins stressé, pour être honnête, de manager ce trade-là. Là. Tu sais, si ça pogne si ça frappe mon full stop, j'aurai pas de peine. Là. Donc, mais quand même, si je brise ce bas précédent-là, je vais probablement fermer 50%. Pas bas précédent, mais le bas actif. J'espère que ça répond à ta question, Alex. I usually enter after bottom wick. I usually enter after bottom wick form and flip to wick fill. What do you think, Sasha? I usually enter after bottom wick form and flip to wick. Oh yeah, that's another way to enter. It can work. That's actually what I do with the dogtail trade setup. Yes. All right. So someone is spamming the chat. So Nitin, if you don't stop, I'm gonna ban you. So my view on USD GPY, Nitin, if you send a chart, I'm gonna take a look at it. Mitchell, if you're looking to enter on GJ right now, yes, you need to wait for this 30-minute to close. Actually, this H1 to close now. So you gotta wait 10 or 9 minutes. So, and Nitin, again, if you send your chart, I'm gonna take a look at it. But I didn't took a look at USD GPY today because no one sent a chart on UJ. Man, that's why it's not moving, man. The desk wasn't in bullish mode. That's why.
Sasha, you have to make those hoodies with the FX Dog logo because I want to smash one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get those as soon as the shop reopen.
Okay.
Yeah, as soon as the shop reopen, I'm gonna get some hoodies and hats.
Hats would be dope. Yeah.
Yeah, I really like the logo, man. My friend did an amazing job. Like, this logo is just sick. It's just totally sick. And again, guys, if you can give love to this guy on IG, I think that... New window. So, his website for anything... he can do logos, he can do website, he can do all kind of stuff. It was a website here. So it's in French, but the guy is totally English. You can actually probably put it in English somewhere. But yeah, you can message him, send him an email. He's really, really good. His Instagram though is only about his new business, which is drone related. But you can follow him also. He do some amazing pictures. Hey, niaise pas, c'est mon ancien employé. So this is np.drone. Yeah, np.drone. Yeah, give him a like, man. This guy does some amazing shot, man. Amazing shot.
Imagine Satch, il rouvre son IG, puis bam, direct sur le profil de la blonde à fil.
That would be funny. Yeah, I think this guy's pretty good.
C'est un fou, ouais. Mais en plus, fly un drone l'hiver, ça doit être du sport.
And you got np.image. This is the same guy. So I don't know. Oh no, I think he changed it. Yeah, this is his old one, I guess. I don't know which one he. Yeah, I guess this is the old one. All right, sorry. So it's the np.drone. Yeah, makes sense.
Insane. Five minutes left on GG.
Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Actually, don't push. Don't push now, GJ. Relax.
Oh, yes.
Close like this on H1, and that will be perfect.
Yeah. I agree.
Take my word, it's gonna fly. Let me tell you, the analysis you do is baseless. All right, so
Cool.
so I guess you can move on and close the stream, man.
Pourquoi autant de hate sur des affaires gratos, man?
Yeah, exactly.
Des calices.
You are already in GJ, but what are we looking at for an entry in 5 minutes? There's no we, Mitchell. There's just you and there's just me, right? So that's really important. You need to understand why you'll be entering this and when to enter it. And I will never look at a 5-minute entry on GJ. I'm only gonna look at 5-minute entry on gold, and I don't trade gold. I only backtest it. So yeah, I'm not gonna look at entry on 5 minutes. But if you're looking for an entry on GJ, I guess you can rewind the stream a couple minutes ago. I actually explained it pretty well. Yeah, so took an entry. So yeah, the cool thing on YouTube is you actually can rewind, check, and come back live, you know. Thank you for your work, Sasha. Thank you. Greeting from Portugal. Yeah, amazing. We got 5 minutes left. Man, this trade is already like at 7 pips profit. So if I'm taking another entry here, I need to remove this first partial, I guess. I'm gonna exchange that for auto break even.
Ouais, admettons, là, je veux ajouter une position à achat, mais j'ai déjà un partial.
Ouais, ben, je vais l'enlever. Ouais, c'est ça l'affaire.
Ok, ouais. Makes sense.
So I'm gonna remove that partials, but I'm gonna put that stop. I'm gonna trail that stop though.
Nice one, je roule 7.7.
9 pips. Yeah boy.
Ouais, yo, je l'ai tellement encore le wait trail avec mes petites flèches.
Ben ouais, absolument.
15 minutes.
Absolument. So guys, if you took that trade, don't forget to give a like to the stream. So this trade is about to hit partial TP. I'm gonna close probably like 25%. Let's say, hold on, wait a second. Let's put back this partial TP. Partial TP at 11 pips, right? So I'm gonna, oh, here we go. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. So I'm gonna let it hit. And here we go. Oh, just missing a tiny thing. Come on, baby, come on. Come on. Do it. Oh man, I'm missing not even 1 pip. I'm missing like 0.4. What's the time? Let's go. One last push. Come on.
GG got without me. It went without me.
Come on, baby. Let my fire. Come
Là,
on.
le H1, il commence à être huge, man.
Ouais, now the actual H1 is now H1's gonna be way too big to grab an entry there.
I got out 80% of 20.
Yeah, that's good, man.
Yeah, well, Wickfield.
Pretty good.
Push.
Man, I'm missing 0.6. Give it to me. Come on.
Gonna get it.
Where's your take profit?
It's at 203.
Gonna get it.
vais attendre d'avoir le close à 30, puis si jamais on...
203.
Je vais le prendre manuellement.
So if you look here at 203, I'm actually on it. It just didn't trigger.
Yeah.
That's so painful right now.
C'est fou comment on a break down le market depuis genre 5h30 à matin.
Yep.
Là, il est rendu 8h.
Come on, baby. Last push. Give it to me. Give it to me. If it actually retraced a little bit, what is the stop here? Let's say
It's sur le dernier, sur le wick là, c'est genre 14 pips.
oh, 14 pips, not that bad now.
Oh, I know.
So actually, I might enter here on H1, another position. Need to see how it's gonna close.
Might put like 0.5.
On n'a pas brisé le high, par exemple.
Why? That's the only sketchy thing. We didn't break that high. True.
Oui.
Man, let's go. Man, I was so close. Boom, 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 boom. But I guess there are some people who caught that and closed it in profit. Do we have any dogs who closed in profit? Take profit quick.
Yeah, it's not bad now. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I just add another position. And let me remove that. Control that stop right here. And yep, let's go. Let's put auto BE here.
GG. Yeah, I moved everything to break even. I've got a runner left, so.
Yeah, that's good, man. Awesome.
That sucks.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
The thing is that if 1 hour makes a down wick,
So I think that was a pretty good win here. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty
Technical
good
issues
win.
here.
So again, so here on YouTube, this was just for you guys. So you're watching on YouTube. Yeah, you're not going to be seeing on Zoom, but if you want to jump on YouTube, I'm giving free money here.
in your face.
In your face. I don't know why it's not showing on YouTube. Is that the huge delay? Oh, it's not showing. It's not showing on YouTube. Why? Why it's not showing?
No, it's showing.
It's showing? Okay, great. Awesome.
3 guys clapping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Sorry, we need to break the high. Man, if that H1 high got broken, we are good to go. Boom, boom, boom.
EP?
Take profit, right?
J'ai closé juste 25%. So I only closed 25% when I was playing that close to my line. So I closed custom at 25%. And now I'm going to see where the rest can go. Boom, 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 boom. How you see... Oh, hold on. Wait a second here. Close at 10 pips. Oh, that's good, man. All right, so there's a couple people who close at 10 pips. That's pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I usually enter after bottom. Okay, perfect. All right, that's... Oh, who was that? I don't know. A guy. Another chat. Oh no. Must be a small bullish candle. Okay. Congrats, guys. Thank you. Awesome. Spread got you. Yeah. Close at 10 pips. Good job, Michelle. How you see entry long when broke the maximum of H1? How you see entry long when breaks the maximum of H1? Not sure I'm getting what you're saying here. Breaks. When you see breaks, maximum of HI? You mean the top? I can see that this big H1 candle forming support is a big enough confirmation for me. I don't need to break the high. This is really solid. No bottom wick. Pretty big candle here. Wick to fill. So yeah, no, it makes sense. And I like to see this candle going down first, creating the bottom wick. So the next half of this 1 hour can push up. So I like to see that.
Dude, I don't know what's going on. I can't trade.
What happened?
Been trying to open entries. Every single time I click on open trade, it says cannot trade. Check journal and expert tab.
You don't have any margin left. That's why.
What?
All right. Sasha, thanks for your explanation. From beginning of your trading career, you look mainly on 30 minutes and not going to lower time frame. No, not true. I was actually looking and trading a lot on 15 minutes. And I discovered that most of my losses was on 15 minutes. So I decided to remove that from the playbook. Do you think it's going to continue past 150, 350? Probably. I think we can visit 500 today for sure. Take profit quick. Good job. Hey Sasha, I want that trade. Alright, sweet. But I closed partial when the M15 candle broke the previous low at 7:30. Any advice for how I could have played that better and capitalize on my full profit? So you took that. I'm not sure. Send me your chart, John. Send me your chart. Only use M15 to manage risk. Okay, send me your chart. I'll take a look at it. Boom. Do you mind showing how you import from TradingView to Trixie? I got Trixie before but found it kind of... Oh, it's pretty easy. You actually just... let's say, hold on, let me close this. Let's open one right here. And basically you go on your chart. You make sure you click on this kind of cloud here. You want to make sure it's saved. And after that, you just copy this part right here without this backslash. Without the backslash. And you go to Trixie, you click on this thing, and you paste it. Whoops. Paste it, and that should import, right? There we go. So everything is in here. Booyah. So yeah. So alright. So what's up with this trade now? Whoa, what up, man? What up? So of course if this candle break this low here, I'm gonna be closing 50%. Boom. Close 25% of that trade in profit, like a 10-ish pip. It was like 10.2 if I'm not wrong. I was missing a tiny thing, man. Too bad. But I'm still confident. Especially that now we're gonna get, yeah, we're creating higher lows. So yeah, it's pretty good. And now it's 8 a.m. So technically we should get some NY volume push pretty soon. Let's take a look at GA. So GA is printing bullish now. GA is a mess right now. It's just ranging. So let's see here. You Pikachu solo. You can trade you full. Oh, that's pretty cool. Can you take another trade? Why? If I see an opportunity, yeah, maybe. But right now, there's none. Right now, there's none. As long the low is respected, I'm still bullish, but based on H1, it looks ugly. Based on H1, it looks ugly. No, based on H1 actually looks pretty good. Yeah, no, that's amazing on H1. Yeah. Most of the time, you're going to get like a retracement probably halfway through that H1 candle before starting pushing back up. And don't forget, there's only 9 minutes now in this new 1 hour, so it's normal. Most of the time, the first half of this candle is going to go against you. If it was going like first, like really hardcore, breaking the high, I was going to be like, oh shit, you know, it's probably going to reverse. But I like the fact that now it's playing in a drawdown and it's going to be able to push up after. So, yeah, I kind of like that. Pikachu, you probably trade demo. Yes, I only trade demo, man. Yeah, I only trade demo, man. I have no money. I don't know how to do it. Just shit, man. You got me. Fuck. Sorry, guys. I've been lying to all of you. Been trading demo this all time. I'm a fraud. So.
No, we all trade demo here.
The what?
We all trade demo here.
Yeah, of course. No, of course.
Then after you will have the new what we say, new title, that you are a scammer.
Yeah.
It's coming. Everything will come with the time.
Oh no, I know.
That's the next level. That's the next level.
Yeah, that's next level. When I get people telling me, man, I trade on demo, I was like, yes.
You're the first step, man.
Sorry,
go ahead.
I made it, you know?
They made you a fake account.
Dude, I leveled up, man. I got my first fake account. Dude, look at this. This is, I can
Where
believe.
did you get those shoes, man?
I know.
Those heels.
Seriously, guys, you need to go report this guy, but it's funny, actually. Sasha FX, I guess. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Those heels, man.
And they got Dubon. It's
yeah, so say DuPont, right?
Yes. So yeah, he copied paste my tags. This is one of the posts I did like way back, but this I have no clue what is those pictures. I don't have a kid. I have a kid, but he's 11. So.
Oh my God.
And
maybe you don't know about it, but
Yeah, can you prove it?
yeah, can I prove it? I don't know. So I think I just leveled up right there. So
yeah, congrats, man. Once you make it, that's the first step.
Sasha, the next one will be talking option.
Yeah, oh man, I can't wait.
Man.
Oh, I can't wait for that one.
Wait.
That one I can't wait. It's just like it's gonna be fun.
Target options.
Yeah. Oh well. I don't understand people. Just like I just don't get it. Why can we not all be happy for everyone and just like be why we don't have to do drama and creating those stupid fake accounts? People, I got my first message coming from someone saying I scammed him, you know. I was like, yeah, I sent like I don't know, can't remember how many bitcoins on a Telegram chat. I'm like, dude, you're fucking dumb. It's like, ugh. That's why I posted Nick Sean's video yesterday. It was actually pretty good. I don't know if you guys watched it, but it was pretty good. It's actually a nice story. Someone actually pulled out to his door, knock on his door, and saying he was like scamming him. It's like, dude, I don't ask for any money to anyone on Telegram. You know, just like, oh man, people are getting so dumb, so stupid. Oh well. Pikachu, one-on-one, me in a trade-off. Man, we can. What is it? Is it a competition of who got the biggest dick, or what? What's up with that? You know, I got nothing to prove, dude. Nothing to prove. But if it makes you happy and you get excited about that, I mean, cool. And I can also get into a one-on-one with you, no problem. I'll let you win, so you'll be very happy. I will counter trend every trade, so make sure that you win. Because I will not want you to be disappointed and sad. I want people to be happy in life. So, yeah, man. Yeah. All right, so yeah, he's a legit person. Oh, don't get into that stuff here. It's a competition of a real trader like me vs pretension, one like you. Oh, I'm pretentious. Oh yes, it is. That's totally my style. Totally my style. Man, why? People are so funny. Sasha, congrats on your first fake profile. Oh, thanks, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Who are these animals? Oh, I don't know. They're Pokemon. Pokemon? Do you see Pokemon or Pokemon? I don't know.
He's bothered.
Pokemon.
Why he's listening to us if he's bothered?
Yeah, I know exactly. It's just why you
Maybe he can
here.
go somewhere else.
You know, just like
I don't know.
move to another stream.
Yeah.
Go jerk off a little bit. Maybe you're gonna be more happy. I don't know.
That's healthy, man.
I know it's very important, dude.
Yeah, man.
So I don't know.
Moi, acheter le top du Bitcoin à 50K.
Non mais tu sais, le gars c'est juste parce que sa mère l'a pas allaité là. Il est frustré de la vie. Là. So funny. I keep on reading the message because it makes me laugh. It's actually funny. It's actually I mean, it's boring right now, so I got nothing to do. So, your rules, your pair, and you decide the pip amount. One-on-one vs me. If you decline, I'll take that as a form of scared man. I am scared. Look. I'm scared, man. I'm giving up, man.
Moving bullish right now.
You're better than me, man. I lost. You can post it on Instagram, dude. I suck. I'm scared of you. I am. I'm totally scared. I'm not even faking it. I'm really scared. I'm really scared, man. Your name is Pikachu, man. Fuck, man. I don't want to get electrified. So yeah. All right. So what are those purple line? Oh, Andrew just jumped on YouTube.
Come on, man.
Andrew's gonna go do some damage on YouTube. Uh-oh. All right. So let's see here. Hello Sasha, if you have time, can you look at my GU chart? Sure, man. Sure, we can do that. Copy. Man, I can hear some birds singing right now. It get me a little happy with all that snow. I'm like, maybe it snowed a lot yesterday night. I'm gonna do a live. I'm not a live, but I'm gonna do a little video later on just to show you guys on my Instagram. But man, we got a shit load of snow, man. Yep. Let's try that. All right, so this is the GU chart. 60 minutes GU. Cameron. All right. So let's see here. We have a bullish trend here. Okay. News coming up. Okay. Kindle fill. Sells invalid. Look at buys. Forming resistance. Sells are on. Sells are on. Yeah, I guess you want to make sure you're okay, hold on. Wait a second here. So you want to make sure you break this support here, you know, for your sells, because I don't know how many pips is that there in between those two, but doesn't look too big, right? So you want to make sure you break this. But the only man, you have another level right here. I don't know, man. I don't like those. It depends. If you have like 20 pip range, maybe. But if not, I don't like it. It's too tight. Like here, you got the same problem right here, you know? I don't know.
It's much more ranging than.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Lower time frame.
Yeah, I don't like it. I would not be, me personally, I would not be trading in this.
Maybe it's better to wait for the price to break above 1.141.948
Yeah.
to consider buy on GU.
Yeah, no, correct.
Maybe it's better there, yeah. But now it's ranging.
I just realized that's Simon. What's up, Simon?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Awesome, man.
I'm fine.
Don't feed into the troll energy. I kind of like it, David. I kind of like it. I like the troll people. They're funny. It make me realize that people has nothing to do in life. Make me realize how people can be sad. You're just like, how can be like so sad? So it's funny. It makes me laugh. I don't expect much. That's Pikachu again. I don't expect much from a guy who wear a $20 hoodie and a $5 hat. True. You know what? The worst thing, I didn't even pay that because I made it.
Oh man, people think that looks are wealth, man. That's really sad.
Booyah.
Really freaking sad, man.
Man, I will buy that $20 hoodie 200 times over anything more expensive. Why should I buy expensive clothes? But yeah, no, I like it. It's fun. Sasha, any trade on GA? No, not yet. Not much on GA. GA just like ranging on 30 minutes. Now it's breaking now this 250. So I want to see a break and close above, see a retest and continue up, or maybe a dogtail trade setup here. That's something possible, but again, this is a counter trend trade if you take a buy here. So you got to be very careful. But I can see a reversal around this area though. Looking at GJ now. GJ is waiting for that 830 push, I guess. Let's see here. Okay, so Andrew's taking care of this guy.
Yeah, don't worry, man.
So funny. Yeah, I'm scamming people here because I give a free stream, right? So I'm scamming them. Block that guy. Yeah, it's about to happen. Just about to happen. Yeah, exactly. Anyways.
Sasha, I have to let you go. My magic key's not working. Nothing's working. I'm gonna reboot everything.
I told you the solution, man. Open the door, grab your magic key, throw it, buy a new one.
Maybe.
Buy a new one.
Je vais te laisser là. I'll try to figure it out.
Yeah, okay. I only buy a $20. I only buy a $20 hoodie, but I buy a magic key every time it doesn't work. So funny. All right, so let's see here. Is that coming from the gulag? Oh yes, yes. And our gulag name now is gonna be the kennel, to keep the concept right. Yeah, it's the first time, first hater so far in I don't know how many streams. So first hater. So I guess I just leveled up today. So thank you very much, Pikachu. Because of you, I know now that I'm getting there.
True.
Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. So let's see here, 823. All right, come on, baby. God damn, I hate spiders. I got a spider in my office. God damn it. Man down, man down. Or spider down. All right, let's go. Yep, Pikachu, you're right. Yep. Bought my house with demo money, bought my truck with demo money. I'm paying my food with demo money. Pretty much everything with demo money. It works good, man. When you go to the bank with demo money, man, they open the gate for you, man. Anything's possible with demo money. Keep that in mind. Mark, is that the $5 mustache? Yeah, that's funny. No, there's a lot of money in that stash, man. There's a lot of money involved in that stash. Yeah. Oops.
J'ai même un petit peigne pour en prendre soin.
Oh, so Pikachu just should change his name now because he says I'm the Batman of Forex, trying to clean it up and save it. That is so cute. I like it. Such a nice story. Getting there with the... Oh, yeah. Invite me to your stream and I'll be nice and maybe teach you how to trade. Yeah, sure. Sure, man. Sure. Oh, now I remember. So you're the same guy from last time. Oh, you're the one who got banned on the other streams also. Oh, now I remember. Oh, I see. Same dude. Yeah, that Pikachu. I forgot about that. How can I forget such a... Anyways. Alright. Enough talking about it. Alright, so let's go. Now, GJ, we got this first 30-minute closing in 4 minutes. Now it's bearish, but took entry on that H1, right? So the first 30-minute, for me, it's normal to print bearish because it needs to print that bottom wick. And now we want to see the second half of that 1 hour to flip bullish. Boom, 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 boom. And looks like it's doing it now. What about GA? GA 1 hour closing in 3 minutes, 30 minute, 1 hour. Yeah, I think that's good. If GA closed like this, I mean, if it needs to close above that QP, right? So if it closes above that QP, I think next candle on the 30 minute, if we can see a wick retest and break the high, I think that can be really good, but we need to break above 250 QP. But again, this is a counter trend trade. I don't advise anyone to take that. If you take that, I mean, you need experience to manage that trade. Man, why is it taking so long? Sasha, you should be happy now. You have your own gulag. Yeah. Pretty excited. This is the first time. pretty excited about it.
T'as appelé ça comment, le Chanel?
Ouais, le Chanel. Le Chanel.
On devrait plus appeler ça la SPCA.
Ouais, SPCA.
Non, mais la SPCA, c'est propre, pareil, ça. Mais, ouais, c'est ça. Oh well.
C'est propre pareil.
Là. En fait, c'est très propre, là. Mais bon.
Mais il y a des gens propres dans le goulag.
Oui. Oui, absolument. Go on. Boom. I don't like this. Bam. Oh, Jim, je pense que c'est ton mic qui a beaucoup de background noise. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Sasha, you should be okay. It should, but what we have been in uptrend for days now. Oh yeah, we can see a correction, of course, but not right here. So I can see a correction coming if we go down this zone here, under 750. Yeah, we can start to see something going down, but until then, I mean, I still think we are bullish, right? So, or I need to see a very strong reversal pattern to go in a sell, right? But right now, just price coming down, create support, now trying to push back up. So again, this is the 1 hour, took the entry on the 1 hour. Most of the time, I would say like 80% of the time, H1 resistance and support on H1 are mostly very highly respected. So far so good, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, perfect. I actually closed.
Guys.
All right.
Take care.
Take care. I actually closed 50% of my position when we broke previous 30-minute wick here. So I closed 50% of my position. And now just about to, whew, that was close. Man, it went so close to my stop loss. Boom. Yes, because I moved my stop loss. Sorry. I trailed it kind of right under, where is it? Oh, I moved it to my other entry. Yeah, kind of right here. What is it? Where is it? 022? 022. Yeah, kind of right here. Yeah, it was super close to it. And again, I closed 25% in profit, around like 10-ish pips. And now I close 50% minus, what was it? 5 pips? Yes. Well, minus 5 pips from my first position, my second position, and minus 50% at mostly break even. So, and now finally price is pushing back up. Let's go, GJ, let's go. What? Trying to see here. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so let's see here. Already close 50%. Oh, jeez. Man, what a long session again. Man, these last couple days, man, takes a while before moving into a direction. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, look at this. Bitcoin is back up. La 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 la. Yeah, so I just close in full. So minus 5 pip into that second entry, and minus actually almost break even, like minus 0.06 on that first entry. Oh no, not true. Sorry, what am I saying? Hold on, wait a second here. Minus, hold on, calculator. Here, entry was here. Minus 5 pips on the first entry, sorry. And minus, how many pips from that second one? Minus 5 plus minus 8. Because I closed that one a little higher. So all right, so looking at this now, how much money here? Looking at it, let's do the math very quickly. All right, so minus 0.4% today. So not bad. Not bad at all. All right, so let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see if we can get a second opportunity for that trade later on. Boom. But that's great. A lot of people actually got that move, grabbed their pips at 10 pips. Me, I only closed 25% at 10 pips and let the rest run. And yeah, that's it. GA closed right on the dot of that QP. Right on the dot. So Andrew, finished my day with a win. I'm all good, boy. All right, awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah, right on the dot. You see how those QP are respected? Look at this. Rejection. Shit, boy. Boom, boom, boom. So this 1 hour is still not closed and still respected previous low. So anything's possible. This candle can flip in that second part of the candle. But on 30 minute, it didn't look good. So that's why I decided to close. But to be honest, I should have left that H1 entry. Should have left that H1 entry. Yeah, I should have left that H1 entry. Just close my, because technically how I work it is basically if I took the trade on 30 minute, I'll wait to see this 30 minute how it close. If I took it on H1, I'll see how H1 close. Of course, I'm going to be watching the lower time frame to see what's happening, but yeah, that's mainly what I do, because most of the time I was doing closing partials on the lower time frame, but most of the time the second half of the candle was going my way. So I kind of changed my strategy a little bit on this. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. I risked 2% loss. Yeah, I risked 2% loss, and 1.25 still not bad. Yeah, that's pretty good. The goal is always to lose less than what you expected to lose, right? So, boom, boom, boom. So now that doesn't look good at all. So this 1 hour now is flipping, not flipping, but it's actually breaking this support on 30 minute on H1 actually. So we gotta see how this goes. But again, in this, I'm not very willing to grab it. How many pips is that? 18 pips. I don't know. I don't like it. Especially that actually you got this right here. Yep. And how many pips is from there to there? Got 11 pips. Wickfield. Yeah, I can see something under this zone or under 750 QP for sells, but I still think we're gonna go. I mean, the trend is mainly bullish, right? So, I mean, if we go down, it's probably like a little dip down to push back up. Like look at this wick here. Wick down, tap into this QP, and boom, straight back up. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. What about GA? GA still rejecting that QP. Holy moly. So just ranging on H1, 30 minute ranging. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Shit, I broke everything. Sasha check, H1, possible trade, candle coming. Man, GG technically should fly. Yeah, technically it made sense. Everything made sense technically. And you see now we're rejecting that. And especially that this is a major QP, right? 150. So it's going to be it's going to need a lot of push to break this. But of course we're getting the NY volume and NYSC volume. So if it breaks 150 at one time, it's going to be now. But not now, but in the next hour or so, because we're going to get the NY open volume and an NYSC volume. So, but if this hold, after that we can expect movement to the upside.
Puis c'est ça qui est important aussi dans le cas de ces losses, parce que tout fait du sens, tout. Mais ça veut pas dire que le marché va être en accord avec
non, exactement.
cette journée-là.
Exact.
Puis c'est comme ça que tu vas trouver ta profitabilité.
Exact.
C'est justement en mariant aucun trade.
Exact. And to be honest, like if this setup happened tomorrow and the day after, especially on H1, I will take this anytime. The only...
Faut pas rester frustré non plus après un setup parce qu'il n'a pas marché une journée.
Ah, non.
Parce que la journée d'après, c'est là qu'il va peut-être te faire monter ton compte.
Exact. Exactement. C'est ça la réalité, c'est que Si ce trade-là arrive, ce même setup-là arrive demain, puis après-demain, je reprends le même setup. La seule chose que j'aurais aimé de plus, c'est cette chandelle-là en 30 minutes qui soit engulfing. Mais sinon, sur le H1, ça faisait tellement du sens. Même si c'était pas engulfing, c'est une belle grosse chandelle. Puis généralement, les supports en H1 sont respectés. So, this trade, this setup happened tomorrow. Again, the next day, I will take that setup anytime, you know. Because this is a pretty big candle in H1, creating support in the golden zone, rejecting a major QP. I mean, everything's pointing to my direction. This is my confirmations, so for me, it made sense. And if price doesn't go my way, just it is what it is, you know. Just like sometimes it will work, most of the time it will work, but sometimes it won't work. But again, if you're practicing different setups, guys, if you're trading different setups and you're losing one time or two time in those setups, don't get discouraged and don't think that your setup doesn't work. If most of the time it actually works. So this is not because you're losing one or two times or whatever, the amount of time that your setup is not working. So you need to get that in your mind. Yeah. Are you planning to sell GJ if it breaks 150? If it breaks 150. Hold on, wait a second. If it breaks 150 here, 150, 150, 150, 150. Kind of right here. It already broke.
150.
Flat.
This one.
Oh, this one. Selling? Oh, this one.
Yeah, if it goes below.
Oh, if it closed below, yes. But to be honest, for me, I want to see something under this zone here. Under 149, 860. Somewhere under this. And better option, safer option, under this QP. But I don't really like it. It's just like, I still think it's bullish. Again, I can be wrong, and maybe market is due for retracement down, but we can never know that, you know. You can never know when market is gonna start going down, you know, in an overall bearish trend. So now see, this price is rejecting this major QP again. So let's see here.
GA, c'est une belle paire, man. Ça n'a pas de bon sens.
Ben oui. So now if this candle start to break previous high here, I think I'm going to give my trade a second chance. Non, G est vraiment nice.
Sauf que là, GG, on vient de créer un nouveau lot.
Où ça?
Check. Ben, un nouveau lot. Ton Kindle actuel, il était break un petit peu.
Ouais. Non, le nouveau lot, c'est pas un nouveau lot. Ça serait un nouveau lot s'il serait ici.
Ouais, true.
Tu comprends? Parce que, tu sais, regarde, si tu as besoin, tu peux te faire ça comme ça, là. Tu vas comprendre que c'est pas un nouveau lot. Ton nouveau lot, il va être ici, là. En bas de cette ligne-là. Boom, boom, boom. Amanda, how are you? Down 3% for the week. Hopefully next week is better. Oh yes, there's weeks like that, you know. I had some of those. Last week was amazing. Last week was actually a perfect week. This week so far, let me go check my Trixie. This week so far, so I got one of those that says win. It's actually a break even because I don't have a label for break even. So I think this one's a break even. This one's a win. This one's a loss. I don't win. Hold on, wait a second. Okay, so yes, that was yesterday. So I had a first loss on GJ, I had a break even, a win, and a win on GA. After that, I had another win. So I had basically 1, 2, 2 losses this week. Yes, so that was on the 23rd. So that means, yes, that was at the beginning of the week. But before that, my previous loss was a while ago. It was on the 10th. So not bad. I guess I was due for a loss. It is what it is. It's a numbers game, right? It should, but we have been. Okay. Let me see here. Yeah, man, this week. Hey, Sasha, I gotta go. Thanks. Great session. Oh, thank you very much, Bill. Thank you. Henry, Sasha, if it breaks the high, where are you gonna put your stop? So if it breaks the high, probably gonna put like a 15 pip stop loss. Fix. So let's see here. So let's say we break the high. Kind of stop kind of right here, kind of. Because I'm not expecting, since it's an impulse move, I'm not expecting price to come down. If it comes down, my trade's invalid. So don't forget, stop loss is just there in case of, you know, I'm going to be managing my risk. If I see price starting to shoot down for no reason, especially on an impulse move, I'll be like, all right, I'm out.
Je vais vraiment commencer à regarder GE un peu plus parce que chaque paper trade fonctionne de la manière que je trade GU.
Non,
il n'y a pas le côté, il n'y a pas le facteur news fondamental que j'ai à checker.
Non, exact. Exactement. So let me place this here. Let me see here if we do. Kind of right here. Boom. So again, so people got excited with sells, but you gotta don't forget that the main trend is bullish, right? So I'm not saying it's not gonna go down, but I'm just saying it's risky. I like to take the easy trade. I'm lazy, right? So again, guys, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're on Zoom and you didn't smash that like button yet on YouTube, do so. We got a couple minutes left, and I'm pretty sure we can hit 100 likes. We are now sitting at 89, and I'm pretty sure we can get 100. And if you're watching the replay, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel also, please. So you'll be notified next time we go live. And the next time we go live is tomorrow. So tomorrow, I'm going to go live for Forex Talk Over Beer, and I'm actually going to do the draw. So the draw for the prizes, don't forget to participate in that draw. Someone place a dislike. Oh, yes, it's probably Pikachu.
No, man, what's me?
Oh, it was you? Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks, I appreciate it. Cette semaine est très difficile pour moi, Alex. Oh, c'est normal, Alex. Il y a des semaines comme ça. Il y a des semaines qui sont plus difficiles que d'autres. Mais ça fait partie de la psychologie. Puis on va passer à travers ça ensemble. On va en parler plus. Tu vas voir dans les sessions de formation. Tu vas voir, on va aborder ce sujet-là. Alright, missing 6 more likes. Alright, 6 more. Let's go. We can do it. Let me grab the smash button. Smash that like button. Come on. We got 6 more to go. Oh, 5 more to go. 5 more to go. Let's do it. Amanda. Okay, perfect. Minus 4% for this week. Oh, Amanda, mindset was off this week. It happens. Yeah, if your mindset is not right, it's rough. It's gonna be really tough. Oh, 98 likes. 98. Missing 2. Missing 2 likes. Hey Sasha, want to let you know that I like your channel. You're a good guy, man. Oh, thank you very much. Very appreciate. Very appreciate. Some people think I'm fake, so thank you. This week is being tough. Yeah, there's, like I was saying, there's week tougher than others. Oh, thank you guys. 100 likes. Boop boop. Thank you. So hopefully next trade we can send you some free money. So now we got a pretty nice rejection here on the 30-minute. I really like that. Really like that. So we got what, 6 minutes left? Yeah, if this candle print with a small body bullish with a huge rejection on H1, that gives me confirmation that actually price came down, pick up more orders to push price back up, right? So yes, this would actually make sense. And you see, I just needed to be a little bit more patient, but my stop would have been hit anyways because this came straight down. But I think the bias and the idea is still good. Woo, 100 likes. Thank you guys. This week NY is really hard. Yes. Yesterday was quite something. Look, 15-minute engulfing. Maybe. Let's take a look. Oh, maybe. Nah, not anymore. Not anymore. But boom, 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 boom. But yeah, on 15-minute, you can see also this. Where is it? You know, so that's something to look at. Again, this is the 15-minute. Man, I'm getting so tired right now. I don't know what I have. Boom, boom, boom. So looking at 30-minute here, that's gonna close in 4 minutes with the new 1 hour. Also gonna be the beginning of the new 4 hours that just created resistance. Yeah, that's crazy. So at the beginning, this should go down first and push back up, but we just formed resistance here. So technically, I mean, based on the 4 hours, you want to see price going up and go down to go bearish, like based on the 4 hour.
Hey, Sach, I need to go.
All right, take care, buddy.
Take care, boys. Soyez sages.
Yes, sir.
Stay safe, stay strong. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Bye, take care.
Take care, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna be ending this pretty soon because I'm gonna have to start my day. Hey Sasha, thanks for the live stream. Really learning a lot. Could you please take a look at my chart? This is Oscar. All right, let's take a look. But first, let me see. Whoops. So we got what? We got 3 minutes left. Okay. So let's see here. This is GJ, right? GJ 60-minute. All right. Took an entry after support was formed. Blah blah blah. Oh yeah, you had the same entry as me. Only 1 hour. Yes. Close 50% after the 30-minute candle broke the low of the previous candle. Yes. Yeah, you managed it well, man. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I think the trade idea was pretty good. Just didn't play out. But now it seems like it's gonna be in play. Boom, boom, boom. Salut, est-ce correct de partir avec un petit acompte de 500 Canadiens et de se concentrer sur le risk management avec le risque 2%, même si les profits ne sont vraiment pas énormes? Oh oui, exactement, oui. Au début, quand tu as un plus petit compte, je te conseille d'y aller en pourcentage, puis regarde pas le montant d'argent, regarde les pips. OK, regarde le nombre de pips que tu vas gagner. C'est vraiment ça qui va t'aider. Regarde pas le montant d'argent parce que ça va te faire prendre des mauvaises décisions. C'est vraiment le meilleur conseil que je peux te donner, Hugo. Définitivement, définitivement. Yeah, I want to see this flipping bullish, even if it's a small candle. Yeah, for me, it's going to be a really good indication for buying pressure. Would you be looking for buys on the 15 minutes? No. Only I sneak peek into 15 minutes. That's actually give me a hint, but I don't trade based on that, right? So, and now this just flip exactly how I want it. So yeah, I'm gonna place a small entry here, and I'm gonna wait to break the high to enter my second entry. Boom, boom, boom. Haven't seen anything like that in my backtesting in my life for months. Oh, shit. Would you be looking? No, thanks, man. Oh, ça fait plaisir, Hugo. Alright, so let's see. I guess I'm gonna have to close the stream because my dog is scratching that door like there's no tomorrow again. And I need to start my day. So I'm gonna let that trade go. Probably gonna enter another position if we break the high. But yeah, I want to say break the high because right now what the problem is with this trade, I'm giving it a second chance, but I'm not gonna be really patient on that one for drawdown because if you look here, this is risky. We are printing lower highs, right? So, and we are printing higher lows except for this one, you know, so I don't know, it's kind of sketchy right now, so that's why I'm only entering a small position again. So far I didn't use my normal risk, which is usually around like 2 to 3%. So far I've used just 0.5. I actually took 1% total on my first trade, so I had two positions of 0.5, and this one is 0.5% risk, so it's not much, but I'm not too confident in this one, so I don't want to risk more. And yeah, so I think that's it, guys. So GA really quickly broke above, but with no wick at the top on the 30 minutes. So now we got to wait for maybe a retest, create support, and after that, I think it can be good. But yeah, since there's no wick, it's kind of change the game plan a little bit here. So I don't want to really execute on a dogtail trade setup with no wick at the top. Yeah, so I guess that's it, guys. So that was the idea for today. So I think it was a pretty good session overall. Let's see here. Depuis octobre, je suis sur les Zooms pour apprendre. Parfois, les choses se passent bien. Je vois de très bons résultats, mais il y a des semaines où tout va mal. Ouais, c'est normal. Tout à fait normal, Alex. Ça fait partie du processus. Ça fait partie du processus. Puis j'ai eu des semaines où c'était terrible. Terrible. J'ai passé à ça de tout lâcher à un moment donné, à un certain moment, et j'ai décidé de focusser et de continuer, et ça a donné d'excellents résultats. Donc, il faut juste garder. Puis c'est pour ça que le pourquoi dans le trading plan, il est très important de déterminer son pourquoi. Parce que plus que ton pourquoi est fort, plus que ton pourquoi va t'attacher à continuer. Donc, c'est important. What TP are you aiming for? I'm going to go probably with the QP, 250 QP. That's going to be my partials. And after that, I'm going to let the rest run. So that should give me what? Hold on. Yeah, 12 pips or so. So perfect. So, alright, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été là. Je vous revois demain soir at Forex Talk Over Beer. So, I'll see you tomorrow night at Forex Talk Over Beer. Again, don't forget to share that the draw, the contest. I'm doing the draw tomorrow. Donc, le tirage sera fait demain soir à Forex Talk Over Beer. N'oubliez pas d'aller participer et de partager le post pour avoir la chance de gagner un abonnement gratuit à Trixie pendant 1 an, un Magic Key ou un accès complet à un cours et le système de coaching. So guys, don't forget to share that contest. You can win a Magic Key, a free year subscription at Trixie, or a full access to the course and mentorship. All right, so thank you very much, guys, and I see you tomorrow. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.